What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 1 hour hyper game jam. We make one game in 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna see how I do. I'm gonna spend the next hour making my jam entry in Godot, as I often do, and then we'll see. Did I make a game? I don't know. I'm excited to find out or nervous. And then after I do my 1 hour entry, we're gonna check out all of the entries that you guys made. Use the links in the description box to check out all the entries or to submit yours, and you'll find the rules in there as well. So of course, I'm gonna need to figure out a topic. Hopefully you guys will help me figure out a topic. Let's put a wheel. I think the wheel is my new favorite way to do this. We got a little, the jam starts in -3 minutes. That's very helpful. So we need to hurry up. We need to make a choice rapidly. Let's see. There's the wheel. We're gonna put ideas that you guys have on the wheel. Chat, do you have topic suggestions? I would appreciate all the ones that you guys have, and I'll put it on the wheel. We got timetable from Dark Rosen. Ooh, that's interesting. Timetable. I don't want to jam about timetable. Let's do, what about deadline? Is that kind of similar? It's sort of not different. Theme idea, fur. Whoa, interesting, Edward. Fur. Okay, that's, what do I think about fur? Yeah, maybe we could say, has fur. Alright, you know what? Forget it. I like fur. Upgrade. Ooh, I'm gonna say upgrades. Well, I want to be able to jam it. Does anyone have a suggestion on how to improve fur? Oh man, battlefield. Oh, nice. I like that. A battlefield. Synchronicity. Oh, that's a good one. Yes. Very nice. I can work with synchronicity. I am typing it. There it is. Synchronicity. Is that, am I spelling that right? Synchronicity. It's possible that I am. Ocean. Yeah, we got some membership gifts going out there. Make sure you've opted in to get gift memberships. Okay, so, path. Oh, I'm gonna say, path. That's interesting. Path is, I almost wanna say like paths. Right? I mean, I said upgrades before, but like upgrade, the ones, the like singular plural ones, upgrade is a good one. I'm gonna say we'll keep your suggestions there. I like those. Those are good. Trivia. Interesting. Welcome, Maxi Taxi. Ocean. We got no ocean on there. Look, we're running out of options here. Bomb, sinking. Okay, at some point I have to draw the line here. Trivia. I hate trivia. I despise that one. That one's not doing it for me. Alright. Footpath. Alright, so here's, Dark Rosen, I reinterpreted timetable as deadline, because I don't like that one. Builder. Build something. Something builds. Build. Let's just do build. Tycoon. I like sinking. Sinking is a good one. All right, these are the ones we got. Deadline for upgrade, battlefield, synchronicity, pat. We're all about the one words today. Ocean, I don't know. Ocean is something. All right, here we go, guys. Let's just do it. Let's spin this wheel and let's find out what our fate is. It's gonna spin quick. And then that's it. Build! It's build! You better build, everybody! You better build, because that's what we got. That's what it says. Look, it says build. Build is the topic. So, what can I say besides that's all there is to it? I'm gonna update it. I'm sorry, but the wheel of fate has decided. I'm gonna say build is the topic. This is, I don't know, I'm not used to such one-word ones. I'm gonna add this as the chat pinned message. Build, And yeah, good job, guys. All right, let's start jamming. Let's start jamming. Look, you got 2.5 minutes. We decided 2.5 minutes early. You guys get some extra time to work on your games. I love that. Since you got some extra time, I might as well tell you about some things that you could use to make your games if you want. I'm just saying, like, you don't have to, but it might help you in your game dev journey if you were to consider some of these things over here on Humble Bundle. Yeah! Humble Bundle is a great way to support hyper game dev just by using the links in the description box. Follow the stars, and you will be able to help this game jam continue to go and get some stuff for yourself. Why not get some stuff for yourself? If you're a 3D inclined game developer, there's this awesome low poly game dev bundle. It's got a lot of assets. You're getting a huge markdown here. It's normally about 800 bucks, but for 25 bucks, you can get all of this stuff right here. Military stuff, survival stuff, city stuff, indoor stuff, food stuff. There's a bunch of guns, cars, vehicles, and it's just cool ships, just cool low poly assets. And it's a great way to support the channel. If you are a 2D inclined game developer, there is one for you right now. RPG Adventure Essentials. It's a bunch of cool pixel art stuff, similar value. Again, actually not again. Look, 20 bucks, it's even less. And you'll get all these cool assets that are 2D based for an RPG game specifically, or they're themed. You could use it for other games, but that's like the theme that's going on. Very nice bundles happening right now. And if you use the links in the description box, you'll be able to support this channel, and you can take it a step further. Not only if you use the links in the description box, but remember, if you come and hit this adjust donation button whenever you go to check out, you can actually use custom amount to give more to hyper game dev. Again, this is something you would already be buying this potentially, and now you get to give a little bit back to this game jam, which really, oh my gosh, it helps so much. So thank you guys. Thank you everyone who's already been using these. You can also give to the Michael J. Fox Foundation. That's a good cause, but remember, you can also adjust that donation for hyper game dev right before you check out. So thank you for doing that, and don't forget, there's a lot of other stuff on Humble Bundle as well. Music, there's some great royalty-free music things that you can get. There's a Music Creators Studio Essentials. It comes with some cool like sci-fi synths, Unreal, Unity. There's a lot of stuff here, so go check it out. Links are all in the description box. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. That's enough of that. I'm ready to jam. I'm ready to jam on my jam game. Oh, I'm ready to jam. All right, not bad. 59 minutes. That's what I like to see. I'm gonna get some music to get me inspired. Build is the topic. Okay, build. That is just true. The truth is that is the topic. Okay. Now what I like about this topic is it can be like widely interpreted. Like is it like, what are you building? Is it something being built? Is something already built? Is it like building energy? Is it like building a crafting kind of thing? I don't know. I'm kind of excited. I mean, I might not succeed. I often don't, but there's a chance. There's a chance. You can't say there isn't a chance. And I believe in everybody. 57 minutes, that's good. So I'm gonna set my timer a little bit less than how much time is actually left. So that way I get a little extra pressure. All right, there's that. Now I can get that out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get that out of there. There we go. Okay. Also, how you guys doing? Welcome everybody. Hope you're all doing great. Oh yeah, builder. You know, you can always kind of interpret it that way yourself. You know, you're up. You can do that. What's up, Albeska? Good to see you. Good to see you. We got Katie Codes in this house. Folks like Edward and S. Kai Guy is here. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for coming through and supporting the stream. Maxi Travie, good to see you. Boop doop boo, Dark Rose, and of course Jim Bink in the house with the Tycoon. I didn't like Tycoon. Scared me. I was like, oh man, that's gonna be a lot of work. That's gonna be a lot of. Ooh, everything on one screen. That's a cool idea. Oh, I wish I would have seen that. I like that one. That's a good one. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, you can always incorporate whatever you want. That's up to you. That's up to you. You're gonna skip out on this one? Why? Look, and here's the thing, like, if you're not inspired, that's fine. But also, you can interpret it however you want. You could literally, like, just have it be a normal game that you would make and then just have like construction theme in the background, like some cranes and some construction workers, you know, I'm just saying. But I understand, you want to be inspired, but... Ooh, pre-submit, yes, or you end up on the tab of shame. Wow, thanks for reminding me. I almost ended up on the tab of shame last week. Pre-submission, by the way, if you guys don't know, you want to hit submit your project, right? Submit your project, just upload the game as it is, give it some kind of title, build game. It's my build game. I'm literally gonna do nothing else. I'm just gonna save and view page. I have pre-submitted, which means if that timer goes up, that is to say this one, if this itch timer goes out, I will have that pre-submission, which means I can still update it, I'm safe. So just maybe you should do it. I'm just saying, maybe you should think about doing it. I shouldn't have closed that page. Yeah, it would have been nice to have it open. All right, here we go. I'm actually gonna make my entry now. I'm gonna make my entry. And I did like update the name of the jam, right? Like I updated the name of the jam. I'm pretty sure I did. What can I say? I want to double check. Solar Pellets is gonna be able to participate. I love it. We got Ariaki in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Abo is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Making a game about that one button jam. Oh, you're making videos. I thank you for making videos. I appreciate it. Ash Kettle is back in the US. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Thanks for coming through. I just need to like make sure. Okay, I did update the title of it. I just wasn't entirely sure. I'm giving up some time today. I'm giving up some time on my entry. I really am. You love this idea so much, but you're busy. Oh, okay. Well, I understand life takes its precedence, but at least we'll be here every single Friday. You know that. You know we'll be here every Friday, so you can always come back. You can always come back. That's okay, Abo. Ain't no worries, guys. Okay, so build. Wow. Okay, so I'm immediately what comes to mind is dragging and dropping, and like stacking. I want to stack blocks. That's what I want to do. I want to stack blocks. That is my prerogative. But so wait, Lise, before you start doing it, why are we stacking blocks? What is the purpose of stacking these blocks? Pray tell. I don't know. Oh, I made an update to my Game Jam template, so I have like some better colors and stuff. Or I can like customize the colors better. I'm gonna get world environment, ground. So this is a template. I do use a template that helps me. It's something that I've made here, and I want to use it to help me get started quicker. Yeah, I think a ground. We can grab the UI. I think score is a nice thing. Why did the colors change? It's scary. That's scary. Okay. And then I would like a fixed camera. I liked that one screen idea. It can be nice to just like keep the camera in place, you know? Sometimes that's better, right? Sometimes that's a little better. Dun 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 dun. A Gmod minigame where a group stands on Jenga towers and one person flings objects. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Totally. I mean, it sounds like Angry Birds, but like more competitive. Okay. So I'm just gonna make sure my camera is in a place. Whoa, looks awesome. Looks cool. And we're gonna want some blocks. So I'm gonna get a rigid body. Yeah, I'm gonna get a rigid body. And let's add a mesh instance. I guess so, if you're stacking blocks, like maybe you just have to like match something. Like you have to stack it. What if like, I mean, in my imagination, you could like stack the blocks and then something has to climb up, like you're helping something, but that seems hard. It actually all seems hard. I think the more confident I get with Godot, the more I feel like I can do more complicated things. It's like when I first started doing Godot 1 hour game jams, I was much better, I think, at gauging scope because I only had like a very small amount of knowledge. But now that I'm like I have a little more experience, I sort of overestimate my abilities. I mean, it's like, I can do those things, but I no longer realize, why is it so bright? Why is it full screen? Oh my god. Why is it full screen? Anyway, it's a struggle. I don't understand why that was full screen. That's alarming. Okay, let me save this. Jam scenes. You know, keeping things in scope is like a constantly evolving process, I feel like. So we're gonna create a new one. This is build. We're gonna call it build. The simpler, the better. The simpler, the better. The simpler, the better. Then I'm gonna make sure I set this as my main scene. Get that build main scene up in here so I can test it. Cool. Please don't be full screen. Why is it full screen? I can't close it because I have always on top set on. What the frick? I don't know when that started happening. What's up, Dragonblade? I don't know when that started happening. I hate it. Oh, you know what? I do know when that started happening. I just realized I do. What's the default itch size? It's because I modified it on another computer. Doesn't itch have like a, so if I set this as a HTML game, it is HTML, it is HTML 640 by 360. Let's go for it. It's actually not in full screen. I realized what happened. Thank you, Abo. I realized what happened though. So I updated the template off stream on another computer, and I made this viewport height bigger because that computer has a huge screen. And so, yeah, okay, but that's that's a little. Can we just do like what's like something I know? 124 by 768? Like, I don't know, I have that resolution like burned in my brain. You know what I'm saying? You went away to start on Block City. Whoa. What does that mean? What does that even mean? Talking in riddles. Okay, this looks good. Now we obviously have a timer. I think I need to zoom the camera out quite a bit. But the block falls, which is good. Let's pull this camera back. Uppy. Back. I like this topic a lot. Hey, what's up, Mr. Fu? Welcome. I've been good. How you been? Alright. Save it. Let me just, I mean, I pretty much know what it's gonna look like, but I want to see that block fall. So if I want to make these grabbable, I think guys, I'm gonna just grab things? I don't know how to grab things. You know what we should do? We should have spawning on click. But then it has to still spawn at that position, so I'm gonna have to still set up a raycast that does things. And I don't know that I have the capacity to set up a camera raycast. I don't. I mean, I could grab something from another project and slap it in here. You know what I'd rather do? It's a game jam. We gotta be simple. I'm gonna set up buttons on the screen. That's what I'm gonna do. It's an old Nokia Jenga game. That sounds cool. That's such a good idea to be inspired by other games. Yeah. Dude, Godot is awesome, Mr. Fu. I love Godot. And I think it's great coming from other lesser engines. I think it's a great one. So I want to set up some buttons. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a new canvas layer. And on this canvas layer, not in the ground, I'm gonna add a margin container. Let's get in the 2D view here. And then I'm gonna make it this big. Drag that up, and inside that margin container, I'm gonna add a box. We're gonna say a H box. And in this H box, I'm gonna add some buttons, if it wouldn't mind. This is gonna be drop. I have no idea, by the way, what game I'm making. I don't. So, like, the chance that I fail is not low. It's not a low chance. It just isn't. So, margin container, I would like to be a little smaller, if it wouldn't mind. That would be great. That button is looking tiny. That button is looking a little tiny. Let's see if we can't make it a little bigger. Let's do the font size. That's how we're gonna make this bigger. That's a bit too big. 70. Okay. Space. Okay. Margin container, I want a little more margin on the left there, if it wouldn't mind. I appreciate it. Okay. So we're gonna say this is drop 1. I still don't know what game I'm making. I mean, I don't know. I just don't. Drop 3. We're gonna just keep it to 3. I do have a laptop. This is not my laptop, but I do have a laptop. I actually do have a laptop down here even, in the studio. But it's not what I stream from. Is there a way, can we alignment begin center? Yes. And then let's make it separate a bit. Yeah, Mr. Fu, I think you would really like Godot. Godot is awesome. It's amazing. Please try it. Okay, so there's those buttons. It's not looking very centered to me, but I don't care. It has to be okay. Drop. Make it a different size. We still got the buttons in the middle. If it's smaller, we get in a little bit of danger. We're getting a little bit of danger. They're a little large. I think we need to reduce the size just a bit. Something that would be really cool is if I like... Let me make this smaller. Is if I like planned so much... Oh, I know why. It's because I did this left margin. That's why. It'd be really cool if I uploaded it to itch to see what it looked like. I think I should do that. I'm gonna do that right now. Isn't that wild? Like, what am I doing? Who am I? I don't know. Look, whenever I have buttons, I get a little nervous. I have an Alienware, and then my laptop down here is a very, very old HP Pavilion. Build. Index.ht. Oh, no, make an export folder. Remember, we like making export folders. Save it. I'm gonna try to only export stuff related to... It'd be nice if I could search this. Jam aspects, jam scenes, build. Okay, export. Wait. Export project. Save it. There we go. I'm testing it. I know I don't have much time, but I often regret, especially when I'm working with buttons, not testing it ahead of time. So I must. I just must. Okay, this is in Documents, Godot templates, Jam scenes, build, export, select all, compress it. Hey, thanks, Dungeon Martian. Good luck with your other jam entry. You got this. I know you got this. You're a serial game maker. You be all right. Okay. So what's it? Does it? I just want to see. I want to see like where we're at. Like, did I put those buttons? See how this dimensionality is totally different. Oh, I forgot to press a button. I forgot to press an important button. I would like, you know what would help? 640 by 360 scaled up. Like, well, how do we scale that up? 640, 360. Help me out, internet. Yeah, 100%. Right, but can you give me bigger? Right? Twice as big. 905 by 509. Heard. Got it. Okay, and then both. Alienware is Dell. Well, it is nowadays. I have to mark shared array buffer support on itch. And then let's do full screen enabled. I can't believe I'm doing this without having, I don't even have a game idea. But like, I don't know. This feels like a good thing to start with today. I'm experimenting. I do this every week, every single week for like a long time. I'm gonna try different ways of jamming, you know? I have to. Come on now. Oh, it looks great. Oh, it looks fantastic. Oh, frick yeah. All right, cool. Good. Excellent. Excellent. All right. I'd kind of like to lower them a little bit. They feel a little high. So we're gonna just bring it down. Okay. Now, what's my game? Oh, I wanted to adjust this. I don't know, I just want to like drop blocks and have them stack on top of each other. What if, okay, I think I have an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I have an idea. What do we say? 905509. Oh wow, that's like the same number backwards. Is that something? Did I just discover the next great math discovery? What? They're the same thing. Oh, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. All right. Anyway. Hold on, I unplugged my headphones. Okay. I can hear the music. All right, so we're gonna say 905 by 509. Okay. Oh, good, great. Oh, that's okay. The drop buttons are a little low. Maybe a bit low there. You know what? Why don't you just go back to 50? We'll say 55. All right. Make your game. You got to make these actually. Lisa's theorem. Oh, okay. Be serious. So let's just make. I do have a game idea. I'm just gonna make them drop though. So it's when I click a button. So I need to make a scene. I need this to be a scene. So I'm gonna save this branch as a new scene. Game aspects. A droppable block. It's the droppable block, of course. And then I'm gonna want to instantiate this. I don't think I need much else than that for now. And I'm even just gonna delete it. And we're gonna need some code. So let's get some code. Let's code. How hard can coding be? So we're gonna say in the process function, if input is action just pressed. Wait, we don't need that. Oh no, we do. No, we have buttons. We have buttons. Frick yeah, buttons. All right, so we're gonna say pressed. I've heard that in games, it should be when you first press it. Oh, P.T. Jones! P.T. Jones, I gotta sing you a little song. This is the music that we're singing a song to. P.T. Jones. I don't know how to sing to this music. I love this music so much. This music motivates me and inspires me, but I cannot sing to this music. I apologize. It's not my culture. P.T. Jones. Oh, P.T. Jones. Thank you for the €2. Oh, P.T. Jones, thank you for the €2. P.T. Jones, P.T. Jones, thank you for the €2. P.T. Jones, P.T. Jones, P.T. Jones, thank you for the €2. I appreciate you, P.T. Jones, you're alright. P.T. Jones, you're okay. P.T. Jones, you're alright, you're okay. There we go, during the game jam, we sing songs to donos. That's it. That's how we do this. Alright. Thank you, P.T. Jones, I appreciate it. Alright. So, too bad we missed that song. I love that song. I guess I could just go back. Dude, I can't sing to it. Long time no see, welcome back, PT. Alright, so I need to say that when button down happens, I usually do pressed, but I feel like that's not good enough. I have blown almost half of my time already. Okay, so button down, I want to connect it to that exactly. And we're gonna get the other button here. I hope I make my game simple enough. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. But I've become convinced that for games it's a good consideration to do button down, not like button up, which is usually kind of what I do. Yeah, it's Friday. The topic is build. So when this happens, I want to instantiate something. I've ever done this, right? Have I done this in this? Spawner, spawn log. Yeah, let's do this code. We're just gonna do this code right here. And then, oh, we do want to set the positions. That is very important. So I'm gonna hop back into the code here. And we're gonna say variable, drop 1. I don't know that we need to preload anything. Probably. And then we're gonna get our droppable block, and that's what I want to be in here. So I'm gonna drag it, we're gonna drop it, and then we're gonna say drop 1. Hey, you know, it's a bunch of free music that YouTube has that they won't, you know, make me pay money for. And I like it a lot. I've got like 300 plus songs ready to go. Expected statement. Oh yeah, we don't want that. Boom. Bring this back. So we're gonna say drop 1 position is set to, I don't know, vector 3 x, I don't know, -1 0 0, something like that. All right, let's see if the first button does anything. Probably not. Where's it going? Okay, so maybe not there. Let's bring it up a little higher. Let's say 2. Let's drop it at 2. Nice. Oh, we're building, baby. We're building. Okay. All right. Let's move it over just a little bit then. Boop, 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 boop. The game doesn't look great, and so this is a bit of a problem. Why have? I don't know. First of all, I want to change some of the visuals going on here. I'm not feeling the way everything looks right now. Let's pull the camera. It'd be great if I could adjust this at runtime. I would love that. I would just love that. Oh, it would bring me so much joy. Let's... Oh, but first I need to drop some. There we go. It'd be nice if we could just, like, kind of look down on it a bit. Yeah. Something like that, so we can get a little higher. Boop, 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 boop. Nice. And then another thing I'd like to adjust is the lighting. That would be sweet. So let's see if that goes well. Okay, not like that. Whoa. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, neato. Alright, that's better. Okay. So, we gotta drop there. I want to drop a little further over if it wouldn't mind. Let's say -4. Yeah, yo, man, people, oh my gosh, people blow my mind every week. Every week, people blow my mind. Even like if it's not like the most impressive game of the night, I don't care. Like, I'm impressed that everybody even tries this obnoxious thing that we do. It's not obnoxious, it's actually freaking awesome. All right, so we're gonna do on the next button press. Yeah, I'm excited too. I'm excited that you're excited. I love this. I freaking love getting to play everyone's games. We want to say, instead of -6, what if I just try right in the center for the second button? Oh, I accidentally kept it the same name. It really doesn't matter. I can just keep it the word drop. There's no reason to be putting a number there, other than to confuse myself at the most inopportune moment. Oh, it's heating up. It's heating up. All right, Knuckle. All right, we gotta let Knuckle cook. We must. It is essential. Okay, there's that. I would like it to be a little more, so here's my idea, by the way, a little more centered. Here's my idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but like maybe you have to keep them like stacked up at a certain height, you know, and like the longer you keep them all at the right height, the more points you get. Which, like, I mean, at some point, I don't know, like, maybe if you get, like, the perfect balance, you'll get the most points. Like, here, this one on the left is solid. Like, you don't have to touch it. you know? But like, how do you build the perfect top? And then it would just keep going up, 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 up. Yeah, something like that. And then I can add in more mechanics if I have time. Otherwise, it can just be like, how many points can you get in a certain amount of time? Like, that's it. Game. Build game. Done. Okay. And then let's get another bunch in here. Yeah. We could try +6 this time. I don't know if it's gonna center up perfectly. Not really. Not sure how this is gonna look on itch. I know it's dangerous, but I'm curious. I kind of want to just like re-upload it again. Tincho, what's up, Tincho? Good to see you. Thanks for coming through. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, that looks centered enough to me. That looks centered enough to me. What's up with the jam? We doing a build is the topic. Build. That's the topic right now. And I feel honestly inspired. I like it. I like this topic very much. It honestly, this game kind of demands that we have a restart button available all the time. So I'm gonna say that that would be nice to have as a export variable. Yeah, set that up. I'm gonna improve my game jam template today as well. I'm gonna say export category. Man, I am on fire. Well, I haven't made a game yet, so chill. Export category general. And I'm gonna say export variable restart visible equals false. I have to make it do something, obviously. So we're gonna come, just out of curiosity, how are we doing that in this other script? Get owner, cool. So the restart panel on here, function showing show. Okay. Oh, I see, we run that function elsewhere. Cool, cool, cool. And what does the show function do? What does the show function do? What the heck is this? Oh, I see, it's like a built-in function. Cute, cute. All right. So then we'll say in ready if get owner what is it? What did I call it? Restart visible then run show. All right? I coded. Did I code? Did I code? I did not. Oh, because I have to check the box. Let me do that first. I may have coded. All right, check the box on. Restart visible. Yeah, okay, but it's in the way. It's in the way. I can't click on it. I think the margin container is covering it up. So that's a bit of an issue. That's not great. How do I want to deal with that? Because if I move it, I don't have time to set up a way to move it with export variables. That's way out of scope for me right now. I mean, I guess I could just anchor it somewhere else. That's probably doable. So we'll just say anchor it in the bottom right. Done. Done. Restart. Bam! Let's go! We're cooking, baby! Okay. So now I want to say that you'll get points under certain conditions. So the condition is that you've reached a certain height. Now, in order to get this to work right, I'm going to need to update my droppable block scene. So I'm going to add in an area 3D, and I'm going to give it the same collision shape here. Okay, we'll be fine. Actually, I don't know that I need that. We could just, if one of them is above a certain Y position, then that's it. You don't need an area 3D. No. Stop this. Unnecessary. Let's put a script on here. And I'm gonna say, if position Y is greater than, so it starts out at what, 2? I don't know, 5? Then probably we want to go higher than that, but we'll just start with this. If position, because I want to be able to test it, we're even gonna say 4. if position Y is greater than 4, then we want to say messenger add point. Add a point, which means it's going to add tons of points. I'm okay with that. Dude, that honestly might be enough. It literally might be enough. I mean, this could get really very pointy very quick. Oh, wait. It's not doing anything. Alright, let me make sure that I set this up right. So we're going to say print it's up high. And you know what I'd also like to print in the process? Well, it would be nice to see what its Y position is. Oh, look, it's up high. Okay, so it's working, it's working, it's working. Look, but the points aren't going up. Oh, you know why? Because I forgot to say how many points to add. We have to say add point 1. That's how this works. Again, I've set this up previously. Add point is not a function. Oh, sorry, emit. I got a little ambitious, over ambitious. Here we go. Dude, if I have a game, yeah, points. If I have a game and I have 20 minutes left, it's the best day of my life. All right, so I think that's a lot of points. Well, I mean, there's really not much I can do about it because I can't do a fraction of a point. I don't think that's gonna work. It might. I have a feeling it's not gonna be pretty. It's not pretty. It's very unpretty. It's incredibly unpretty. Well, a decimal point? I hate that. We could have it round up. That's something that I have not done. We could say score. Like, I could do that. We could say the score is rounded. That would be interesting. I'm sure someday that'll really confuse me, and I'll be like, why is it this way? So let's say score round. Just like wrap that right in there. Round that baby for me. Believe in yourself, you got this! Yes, Katie! Let's go! There you go. Look at that! Just put a little rounding in there. And look, it's not an easy game. Now, if you're careful and you're slow about... Oh, it's tricky. It's tricky. Oh, it's giving Jenga. It is giving Jenga. Oh, man. Oh, we got a good one there. So then what do you do about these? So there is a bit of a problem, right? Because there's no despawn happening. So I do need to despawn them. And that, oh dude, that's a mechanic right there. That's a mechanic, it keeps it going. All right. Let me cook. So back on the droppable block, you know what'd be dope? I mean, if I have time, if I got 20 minutes left, if I have 20 minutes left, I might as well have some fun with it. So I'm gonna add a label 3D onto all of these. Yeah, I'm gonna add a label 3D. And honestly, it would be nice. Is there a way? I feel like there's a way to have it be seen through everything. Is that like is that what a billboard is? How does that work? I don't know, but I feel like there's a way to make it always on top, right? Does anybody know? I don't know. I might look it up. We'll just say hello. Just give it any old thing. So there should be a label 3D. Whoa. Why did it spawn 2? I don't care. How do I make it be visible on top? I mean, I could just put it way in front. I'm just worried that if they, like, tumble, you know, it's gonna get weird. It's not that weird. But it would be nice if it was always on top. No depth test? What does that mean? Depth test, the object will be drawn in render order. If it's true, it will be... So what if I say... Let me just look it up. Let me just look it on up. Let me just see what I can find here. Pull up ye ol' internet. Godot label 3D render on top. Just label 3D. That's what I want specifically. Nobody has an easy answer for me in the internet. Cool. Alright, well, I guess that's the end of that. Alright, I'll let that go. Let's make it super large. So it's nice and big. Let's give it a chunky outline. And what this is gonna be is the countdown before it vanishes, okay? This is gonna be its countdown, so you know how long it has left. We're getting fancy. I don't have the full game made yet. I almost do. So I'm gonna add a timer onto these things here. And I wanna say, in the ready function, timer, timeout. Welcome, Tilo. Good to see you. Just got back into game dev. How often do you? Every Friday. I do these every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, right here on Hyper Game Dev. Yep, we do. It's amazing. I love doing it every week. So yeah, if you missed this one, or the next one, or the next one, there'll be one after that. I'm so glad that you checked out the jams, though. Welcome. Timer, timeout, connect to on timeout, and then we're gonna make a little function here, func on timeout, as one does. And then what I want to happen, and let's set this time, let's say they last for 10 seconds. That's a long time. That's a real long time. Yeah, they'll come in. They'll start coming in. They will. Links in the description box. On timer timeout, I would even like to say progress, right? So I would want to say, there's a way to do it. On timer timeout, queue free, right? Just destroy yourself. There's a way to do this. I've done it before. I think I did it last time. I did it like recently, like a couple jams ago. So let me just look for timeout here. Spawn clock, spawn control, moving platform, boss rush, reunion. Wait, we just did this. I just did this. It was for the upside down one. It was for upside down movement. That was what I did it for. How am I gonna search for it? Upside, we'll just look for the upside down movement script. I had a timer up on the screen. Dude, it right here. Set text, margin container, time left. Get time left. There it is, right there, baby. Let's freaking go. Okay. Coming on back to my, what is it? Oh God, I forgot. This. We want to say, label, specifically label 3D here. Set text, string, round timer, get timer, time left. I mean, that should even just work. Oh, I have to start the timer. Is it auto start? Probably not. Auto start. Go. Go. The time's always a little weird in here. There it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bam. I love it. That seems like a little short to me. I might think we can make them, because I really need to test this on itch, because the time is always a lot different in the engine. Okay, so that's great. Now I need to set up a couple other things. So I need to get the actual game to work right here. So in order to get the game to work right here, I'm gonna want the score to show, or the time to count down, right? So let's see what we got. The timer for racing, yeah, timer for racing, but we have to change what starts the timer. That's the thing. So I actually have to go find how that works, because I don't remember. Okay, if timer for racing, oh, we literally just list all the inputs in here. Okay, that's a little tricky. And we just say race begun true. Let's just add a function on button pressed. We're just gonna make a new function, and this will say race begun true. This will also set race begun to true. Oh wait, there's more here. We gotta do all of this. We gotta put all this code in here. I'm a little scared of what I'm trying to do right now. I'm a little frightened. I'll be fine, but I'm frightened. Okay. That's incorrect. What do you... I love you, but wrong. Okay, get over time, autostart, await. Okay. And then I need to call this function, so I'm gonna hop into my messenger script. We're calling it button pressed, messenger. This is an auto load, signal button pressed. Oh my goodness, can't believe I'm adding this right now. I'm gonna be so glad I did if I remember it exists in the future someday. And then we gotta come over here and say messenger button pressed, connect on button pressed. Make sure everything's typed right, no errors, good. And then I'm gonna come to my game over here, right? And we're gonna go to all the buttons that get pressed, and we're gonna say messenger button pressed emit. That very well might work. Billboard makes it always facing the camera. No depth taps makes it always draw in front. Really? That does make it draw in front. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Tilo knows a thing or two. I like dude, what? The description of that did not tell me that that's what that was. No depth test on. I mean, it probably did, but I didn't get it. I want to like really test it. I'm gonna, oh, I see, look, I should have just checked it. Look, it's obviously working. Nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Tilo. What? You saved me. I mean, you saved that one aspect. And I appreciate it. What did I set up? Oh, the timer, right. Okay, so it's not started. Bam, it starts. Let's go. Timer starts when you press a button. Beautiful. And if you get it high enough, you get a score. Done. Done. So how do I like communicate this? Oh yes, everybody, don't forget your pre-submissions. There's like 15 minutes left, and you know, if you make a pre-submission, that means you get a little extra time because you can update it, or rather, you can add your game in the first place after the jam ends. Kind of a hot tip. You might want to consider it. Okay. Cool. So this is working great, and then, wow. Dude, this is like a whole game. I love it. And then you just wait for it to die, and you just rack up points. I think this could have even worked for the Tycoon. Well, I don't know about that, but you just gotta stack your blocks. You just gotta stack your blocks and pay attention. So then how long do I want it to be? A minute? 30 seconds? Like for the gameplay? I don't know. I need to export it, and I need to test it. Really appreciate that, Katie. Gosh, I appreciate you, Katie. Holy moly. I'm gonna say 60 seconds. That might be a little long, but that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I feel like so much of this is fine. I guess the only thing is, it would be nice if the game like communicated to the player like how high you have to make it. We could have it be like above the horizon or something. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It needs to be something in 3D space for it to look right. I could just do like a, you know, a block across here, a line. That to me feels a little boring. But you know what? Let's try it. I'm gonna get this finish line texture that we have. I need this finish line to not function in any way, because it does have some like code on it. So I'd appreciate it if it was a non-functioning finish line. That would be ideal. S is done. Nice, dude. I'm kind of done too. At this point, I'm just sweetening the deal, although I really should test it. Love to hear it, S. I'm gonna snap it. This is almost unheard of for me. I'm gonna have to say I got a little lucky. I think that's the only explanation. Okay. Don't like that position. I don't like that position. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna detach the script so it's just doing nothing. That is definitely not at 6, but let's just see where we're at. It's invisible. It's too high. Bring it down. Whoa, this texture is wild. It's like a freaking Peanuts cartoon pattern. Okay. Apparently I have put it way up in the sky. Come on down. Okay, and we need to bring it much forward. I'm definitely gonna burn all my time setting this up. I am. It has become apparent. Also, can we do editable children, please? I would like to shrink this down. Oh, can we just make it local? That would be ideal. Thank you. Why can't I change the mesh? Make it unique. Thank you. Shrink it down. It don't need no collision. I have no idea where I want to put this. I'm not checking chat. It's because I'm scared. It's because I'm scared. Because I'm so close, and it's like I'm sweetening. I'm putting sugar on top right now. Okay, I think we can go a little lower than that, and I'm only a little frightened that I've made a mistake. Doot 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 doot. Nice. Doot doot doot. I can't tell if this is above or not. I gotta wait for this one to die. It's not. Okay, I think this is a pretty good finish line position. I would love if it didn't cast a shadow, so that would be nice. Let's see if I can get it to not cast a shadow. No shadow, please. Alright, so there we go. I am gonna make this stretched out a little bit more. Oh my god. Get rid of this. Increase the width so it's nice and long. I wish the pattern was a little different. It'd be nice if it didn't like be so reflective. Is that something I can handle? Material override, global illumination. I don't even know, cause it's like reflecting light in a way that is just ugly. It's uggo. But I don't know how to, cause it should. Where is your material information? Surface, that would be it. That makes a lot of sense. Roughness. It looks quite rough. Shading. I think we want to go to shading. Diffuse mode tune. Tune. Shading mode unshaded. Specular mode. Just turned off. No specular. All right. I don't know. Whatever. It's something. It's something. Oh god, but it looks gray. It looks gray. The game doesn't deserve to have a gray checker. How do I make it not look gray at the top? I'm actually a little surprised that it's so reflective. It seems like it shouldn't be. Whoa. Wild. I'm literally just clicking things at this point. Just clicking stuff, you know? None of these things helped. None of them did. They all didn't help. Vertex color? Alright, I gotta let it go. Oh man! Why does it look like that? Alright, here's the only other option that I have. Is to actually rotate the sun. Wait, it's still shiny. It's still shiny. There, do it like that, Lise. You got this, girl. Wow, I spent some time on that part. It's perfect. It looks great. You did it. Maybe just adjust the mesh a little bit. Honestly, Joe, what's up? The roughness is up. The roughness is way up. Oh, maybe it's like refraction or something. It's not on. The roughness is all the way up. Unfortunately. All right, I need to commit because this game works. We got it. I guess 60 seconds feels long. It's not, Lise. Trust it. Trust it. Trust it. Okay, just trust it. Can we make it just a little shorter? And then maybe I'll just bring it down just to... Oh, right, the pattern moves. Why does the pattern doesn't move? Now I hate that the pattern doesn't move. Boop. Doot, doot, doot. This is great. Your game is awesome, Lise. Save it, export it, test it, live your life. 5-6 minutes left, everybody. Wow, this is like, it feels like the most successful I've ever been in any of these jams. I'm not saying it's like the best game I've made in these jams, or the most fun game that I've made in these jams, but it's definitely the most successful I've felt at pulling something together. Okay. So we're gonna update the game now. We're gonna say build high and hold. Build high and hold. Rebuild, stay high. Rebuild, stay high. Oh, I haven't made the queue yet, guys. I haven't made it yet. Click here to go next. Type your game name. So there's gonna be a Q&A in the chat, all right, guys? And it's at the top of the chat. You're gonna click on it, and then that's how you're going to enter, or you're going to say, I wanna go next. So we're gonna check out everybody's games. If you want to be in the queue to be checked out next, you have to join that. So click at the top of the chat. Yeah, S has already got it. S has already got it. So it's right at the top of the chat. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna tell us your name of your game. That's it. If you're on mobile, you have to do it like a little differently. There's like a ask a question button or something. But I trust you can figure it out. All right, rebuild and stay high. Oh, I still need a cover image. Oh, I need one. It's correct to have one. Even though I haven't tested it, which I really should. I really need to. Okay, drop some of these. Oh, you gotta be careful, you press the space bar, your game's gonna start. Doot, 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 doot. Alright, gonna get a screenshot here. Okay. Come over here, come over here. Upload cover image. There it is. Got it. Games HTML. Upload it. Okay, so I need to upload my latest one. 3 minutes. Oh man, it's just I can't even. It's like I don't know. It's intoxicating. It's intoxicating to like feel like I did something on time for once. Granted, I still have to test this version of it, so let's let that happen. No, don't edit with Notepad Plus. How dare you? How dare you? Please don't. Please stop. Please don't do that. Okay, then we're gonna open this. Full screen, shared array. Press the drop buttons or build as many towers. Build as many high enough towers as you can and keep them up. The more high towers you have, the more points you get. Post those high scores! Okay. Got it. I guess that's what we should say. High enough. Stay high enough. I know this has a lot of connotations, and I apologize. I apologize for that. But, here we are. Alright. I'm gonna make it public. Unlisted in search and browse. That's another thing you might want to do. You might want to hit unlisted. Make sure you make your game public, or we can't find it and check it out. So make sure you make it public. You can make it unlisted in search and browse if you like, you know, don't want it to show up in places that you don't want to show up. And then also it's going to be on your profile. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I left this incomplete game up there all this time. So I'm gonna make sure I hide it. Down here in your itch page, you might want to go to edit theme and then hide, bam, gone. So just something to think about. All right, although who knows, maybe this one I'll leave. Maybe this one I'll leave up. Okay, we'll see though. We'll see. It's funny because it's about time for me to try my game for real, but I really just want to play test it to make sure it's not broken. It is broken! Where are the blocks? Wait. What? I think I know why. I know why. Because I didn't export dependent. I need to export droppable blocks. I know why. Oh my gosh. I know why. Droppable block. It wasn't because I was trying to export. No, not rest in peace, you monster. Have a heart. No, I think it's because I didn't add that. No, no, time up. I know, time is up. All right. I'm not going in the tab of shame. I already made a pre-submission. No. Luckily, I won't. And look, there's even a little bit of time left. Actually, you guys, there's actually a little bit of time left if you think about it. If you think about it, there's still 1 minute 30 seconds. Yeah, but so what I'm trying to do, because here's the thing, I make a game jam template, right? So I have a game jam template, and it's got all of my past game jam entries in it. Frest and pepperoni. Get out of my face. It has all of my past game jam entries in it, and it's starting to get slow because every time I export the project, it's got a ton of stuff. So I'm out here trying to say, hey, only export the things that are necessary, but apparently it doesn't understand what things that are necessary means or things that it's dependent on means because it's decided that the thing that gets instantiated isn't necessary. That's my guess. That's my theory. I haven't proven it yet. But we still got time. Remember, I set my timer to be a little less or a little faster. And so, look, everything's probably fine. I'm just going to test it right now, and it's going to be a great game. It's going to be just the game that I need, and everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It has to. It's the only explanation. It's the only explanation for why it's not showing up. Like, that would be the weirdest thing ever. What, rigid bodies don't work? Oh, it does work! You see? I told you, rest in nothing! Rest in nothing! Yes! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I made a game. Okay. Wait, still, for real. Let me make sure everything else works. Yeah, it looks great. Dude, it looks awesome. It looks great. I feel like I could have made it less than 10 seconds. That feels a little long for a game with like 60 seconds. So like, I think I would rebalance it a little, but I like it. Done. Let's freaking go. All right, guys, we're checking out my game right now because I just had some good timing. It won't know about a dependency defined in a script. Well, it should. It should. But that's actually good to know. I actually am gonna remember that for next time because that's important. Me when I self-queue free, yeah. Oh my gosh. Guy Elder says, today's been such a stressful day and I joined late, so no submission, but it's helped you to relax just watching me build my game. Nice, Guy Elder. Thanks for stopping through. And by the way, thank you for supporting Hyper Game Dev. I appreciate it. S is listening from mobile. All right, guys. So remember, if you want to join the queue, if you want your game to be played as soon as possible, or at all, really, it would help me so much if you clicked on the Q&A button at the top of the chat. You might have to press like an extra button, an answer question button, if you are using mobile, but click on that Q&A button up there, and then you can type in an answer, and that'll be how I know who goes next. So right now, S is gonna be first, then Solar Pellets, then Ocean, and that's how we're gonna do that. All right. You can make it at export assign, and then it'll know. Oh, interesting. Good to know. You forgot your itch password? No! Well, look, you have as much time as it's gonna take me to play everybody's entry. So, you know, that's something. You have all that time. All right, to sort it out. Okay, all right. Did I make a game? Now, I actually already know that I made a game because I did a great job and I'm proud of myself. But I'm going to test it for real. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. I'm going to try to get as much score as possible. Guys, we have a little tradition here in this family. Where we take screenshots of ourselves playing each other's games and we post it in the comments of submissions. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get a high score. We're gonna have a little high score war over each other's games, and yeah, let's see what we got here. Oh, the timer is in the way of the score. I should move it. Maxi Taxi did it! Yeah, it can be a little stressful. All right, so the way this game works that I made, you drop blocks, and they have to be high enough to score points. And then you have 60 seconds to get as many points as possible. So I better start, or I'm going to run out of time. So we're going to build. Oh, bad luck, Chuck. Okay, let's just try. Oh, dear God. So I've made 1 point so far. Awesome. So we're really riding on the ability of Godot's physics engine to not to not let us down. So it's giving a bit of like a Jenga vibe, but not really because you're stacking. Oh, there we go. So the score goes up if your blocks are high enough. Yo, let's go. Wait, why aren't the blocks falling? Okay, so I don't understand why the blocks aren't falling down when one disappears from underneath it. I would personally, I would consider that a bug. That was kind of supposed to be, yeah, I guess the physics broke there. Because it's technically supposed to, like, pull the tower out from underneath, but it's still not easy, and, like, whatever. It deletes itself after 10 seconds, so, you know, you still gotta manage. Oh, the game's over. Ooh, I made a mistake. I forgot to make the buttons unpressable. But here's the thing. It's okay. I'm gonna screenshot my score because you can't score more points when the time runs out. Apparently not. But I think it did in the engine, just maybe not here. But yeah, so there is that. You can keep stacking after time runs out, but the points won't be calculated anymore. So don't worry, you can't cheese it. However, it will keep giving you points after the bottom falls out. So that's okay. It's not a big deal. This is fun. I'm enjoying this. If something hasn't moved, why check if it's still there? If something hasn't moved, why check if it's still there? Do I understand what that sentence is? Okay. I guess I see what you're saying. Yeah, there might be like a button. There might be like a button to press. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go. Maybe if the blocks were bigger. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So PT Jones, you can use the community tab to submit. So go to the community tab. Yes, pre-submissions are essential. Oh, I already ran out of time. Pre-submissions are essential. So what you can do is post your. You can make an itch page like normal, and put your URL on there. Or if you made like a high pipe game, you could always just try to link it directly. But you know, if you make an itch page, we can like comment on it and put our high scores and stuff. Whoop. Come on. S is like, I don't pre-submit. I never pre-submit. Let's go. I like this game, and I like how you say that it reminds you of rolling dice, Edward, because because there is a bit of like a luck aspect to this. You are doing a bit of like a gamble here of whether or not it's gonna hold or stack. But I do wonder if there wasn't a setting that could have kept it aware, because it's like the physics is sleeping, right? I feel like there might be like a sleeping thing happening, and so it's not bothering to see if a change has occurred or whatever. Whoop. We could even like say like instead of just deleting itself, it like moves a little. All right, I'm gonna play one more round. I know that's giving myself extra time, but like, you know, if you think about it, all the time I didn't sit here playing it was probably spent like probably about a minute. Dude, it's fun. It's fun. It's kind of chill. It's like a bit of a relaxing game, I think. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I tried. Joop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't even know what my high score was. Like 160 or something. I took a screenshot. I'm proud of myself. Like, I feel great about this. This feels like the most, oh, yay! This feels like the most successful entry I have ever made into these game jams. And this is about the 80th one. Technically on itch, this is the 60th one, but we did about 20 before I started doing it on itch. And yeah, I've never felt like I made something as much of a game as this is. And as quickly, as efficiently as possible. I'm proud of it. I feel really, really good. It's like kind of cool. What causes them to fall? They spawn randomly a little to the side. Yeah, yep. It's just, they're just instantiated rigid bodies. And they spawn. Oops, I just sabotaged that for no good reason. All right, what was my highest score? What was Katie's highest score? Katie posted a high score. I want to know what she got. What? What? 961? Oh my gosh. I'm glad you thought it was fun. Yay. I would be honored if y'all try my game and you post some scores. I'm gonna post my highest score. I do not think I got that much. I'm pretty sure we have all of our delta times in order. So I honestly have no idea how that could have happened. My gosh. Let's add an image. What the frick? 961. That's amazing. That's amazing. 167. I was like, I got 167. I got just under 200. And you're like, hold my block. Hold my rigid body. My high score is 167. I cannot even fathom how you did that. That's wild. They spawn in the same place as the third in the stack, so any after that, it bugs out and pushes the block down or up. Yeah, but that's, to me, that's fun. It's fun. All right, why you gotta, come on, like, try and be positive, man. Dang, it's not hard. I don't think I've ever heard you say a positive thing in your life. Come on, man. Look, we're just trying to do our best out here. But yes, you're right. That is what's happening. No, but you are accurate. But to me, that was like kind of the mechanic, is like that it manages to stack it up, and it's kind of like a risk, right? Because it might mess up your tower, you know? I was kind of weaponizing that as a mechanic. Because it adds like an element of like randomness in there. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Sometimes we got, hey, come on now. Hey, you better buck up, Buttercup. No, you're right. You did. I'm sorry. It was on me. It was me who just wanted to hear a positive response. I need to be happy with saying that I did a good job, and I don't need approval from anyone else ever. Why would I need that? I'm not human. With that said, yeah, you're right. I appreciate you explaining it. If you're standing on something, you won't check constantly if the floor is still there. I don't know about you, but when I'm standing on something, I may not be checking if the floor is there, but gravity is keeping tabs. It certainly is. Yeah, I did. Yeah. It's a great feeling. It's like the best feeling in the world. It's incredible. I went with a 2-3 click on the left, then the right, then middle, and repeat. It was a crazy clicker game. What? I know I'm spending extra time. I shouldn't. 2-3 click on the left. What? That's wild. Wow. Dang, that's some skills. I'm gonna be interested to see if other people. You check every 5 minutes if I breathe. Thanks, Katie. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's kind of fun, right? You're struggling. I'm breathing manually too. I better not stop. I'm gonna have to think about that. That, but way quicker. Interesting. All right, PT. All right, so remember, guys, please join up on the queue. Dragon Blade abusing the queue. Please do not abuse the queue. The queue is for joining. I don't know if Ocean means that they're actually joining the queue, so we'll see. We're gonna find out. Let's check out your guys' games. That's enough. That's enough of checking out my game. I think we get the idea. Turn off lights, water, lights, and gravity when you're not using it. Make sure to turn off gravity if you're not using gravity. It can be wasteful. It can be wasteful. All right, all right. We got S up first, y'all. Look at all these beautiful entries. Oh, we gonna play some games tonight. I love it. You gotta try. And I hope you'll share what you came up with. Okay, S has made a game, and it has some high scores. Katie got 129. We don't have a name for it. We're just gonna see what we got. I'm gonna put 5 minutes on the clock. S finished a little early, so you know, I don't know, it's exciting. When someone finishes early, it's like, hey, it's probably a fun game. All right, 5 minutes on the clock. Here we go. This is Programmer S's game. Down S or J to build. Cool. Okay, I'm okay with that. Down. Whoa! I can see some shadows on my green screen there. Whoa, this is awesome. Am I winning? Am I doing a good job? Are we just like spamming as many as I can? This is cool though. I'm creating things. I am creator. So what is maybe I didn't know what was affecting the score. I assume something was affecting the score. Something was affecting the score. I had to fix the shadow. Oh, maybe you have to get as many in here as you can. Maybe we gotta like fill it up. So this is like the kind of game where you gotta figure out what to do. Look at my mouse on the right, just like slowly disappearing. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And now it's moving over. That's funny. Build in mid-air? What? What? Dude, my mouse moving is wild. Oh! Wait, did I just build a plane? What? What have you made? I don't know what's happening, but I enjoy it. Whoa! Oh! Dude, this is cool. I win! Oh, nice! Okay, I like this game. I like this game. This game is cool. This game is cool! You guys see what this game is? You have to just like build. Okay, so wait. Okay. So Katie got 129 as the score. I trust you, Knuckle Blaster. I got 129 as I got 0 as or Katie got 129. I got 0. So we just have to Icy get up there as quickly as possible. Oh. Bam, 136. Nice. S. I like this game. Okay, here we go. Jump, bam, up. Oh. So like, okay. What's the rhyme or reason here? Okay, we got a little high score here. That's good. What's the rhyme or reason? So I'm gonna spend this round. The position calculation gets a bit wonky as you go up. Okay. I kind of want to just experiment. So if I'm on a little sprout block, it's gonna build a tree. If I'm not on a sprout block, it'll build a sprout block. So I have to like jump and press it. Jump and press it. But it seems to like detect the it's like there's like a zone like right around here that it will detect the block underneath. So I have to be a little bit high up in the air. So I don't know how possible it is. Really, you should just spam, because it's... But then it's like the top of trees override. Oh, whoa! Right, because I was just trying to like jump and spam. But then it's like not... So, wow, you've got like almost an anti-spam. So I guess the best option is to like kind of like... Okay. All right. I want to optimize my run here. Jump, build, just build until we get a tree and then move over and then start going up. Maybe. Okay, let me try that. I'm going to say jump, spam, spam, spam. We're getting trees. Go up. Over. 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 Okay, that did not result in a better score. I think I got like 140 something as my highest. So we kind... Oh, this is tricky. This is tricky. It's confusing. 135. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Zoop, 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 zoop. Oh, it's like there's almost a strategy. 147. That feels like my best. Dang, I gotta remember, Katie Codes is a tough competitor. So like one... Wait, 179? Wait, isn't that... A 129. Okay. Okay, that's a 2. I was internalizing it as 179. I thought you were. Well, because I thought it was 179 and like that's the starting score. Like wait, you got the starting score? Okay. So actually Actually, I'm number 1 right now. Let's go. Whoop, 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 whoop. See if I can get a better score. Come on. Oh, 147 is my highest. Sorry, Katie. I'm sorry for calling you a tough competitor. I didn't mean to lie on you. I just, I misunderstood what your score was. Ooh, 146. I want better than 147. Yeah, it is a mechanic. Right. I was just going to say, like, it's almost like an anti-spam mechanic. 149. Because I can't, like, build straight up. Otherwise, the trees will start getting in the way. 152! Yes, let's go. So I guess the only way to know that the person actually is screenshotting the end is if there's a bunch of decimals on the timer, if I'm correct. That, because otherwise you could just screenshot at any old time. But I think as long as there's decimals at the end, then you know that they actually completed the game. 153! This is fun. This is a fun game, S. Bunny said, ah! Awesome. Well done. Much enjoyed. That was fabulous. My highest score, I want to say it was like 150. You could also press back. Oh, true. Don't tell me that. Now I'm going to want to keep playing it. You can't submit a question, so can I go next? Yes, you can. You can figure it out. If you're on mobile, somebody, oh, why do I always forget what it is? There's like a button you can press, and ask a question button somewhere. You can do it. You can do it, Knuckle Blaster. I believe you. I believe in you. You can make games. You can figure out how to ask a question. Do. Yeah, I see what you're saying. We could go back or the other way. All right, I don't think I'm going to get a better score. Pinned comment isn't the question. Okay, so look, there's two things. There's the Q&A, right? And then there's the pinned topic, right? So click the Q&A, not the pinned topic. You got this. I believe in you. I think my highest score was 159. Give me a little 152. Okay, it was 152. I overestimated. It's not showing you the Q&A. That's concerning. The back button should take you back to the... Oh, the back button. Oh, okay. Wait, why would I do that again? All you see is the pinned topic? That's unfortunate. That's not good. How is it even possible that someone is able to make games that fast? Devs here are wizards. I agree. I agree. And for almost the first time, I feel like one of those wizards. I feel like I had the most success now than ever. Button says ask something on mobile if it's there. So Knuckle Blaster, are you on mobile or not? Right, but like why am I pressing it? What does back do? As opposed, like why would I press it? Oh, because there's gonna be a score. I see. Oh, so you can screenshot this. Wait, it says my highest is 149. That's a lie. That's a lie. I got 152. What do I do? Oh wait, high score 153. Oh, previous score. Oh shoot, wait. Wait, it's actually, I undershot my high score. Hold up. Hold up. I undershot it. Let's go. Your game is really impressive. Thank you, Joe, for reminding me what the button is. You just don't have it? That's wild, Knuckle Blaster. Okay, I guess I'll put an update. 153. If it's true that I got an even higher score, I might as well post the update. All right, I gotta keep it moving. I gotta keep it moving. We got games to play, guys. We got games to play. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, you really don't have the Q&A on there. I see that you don't have it. That's wild. Why would you not have it? I don't even know. Like, how do I even resubmit? What if have you tried refreshing the page, Knuckle Blaster? Try that for me. Because this is helpful, because I'm still kind of testing this feature. Awesome work, S. Your game was amazing. Good job. It's gone for you too? I mean, Dragonblade actually did ask a question. And you refreshed? Still don't have it? Wow. You were able to post more questions after my piece. That's okay. I mean, what if I unpin? So I unpinned the message. Did that help? All right. Well, according to that, Solar Pellets is next. So let's play Solar Pellets game. Let's play Solar Pellets game Build 3. Build 3 by Solar Pellets. Knuckle Blaster, I will try to remember that you're next. I'm sorry that it's gone. I believe you that it's gone. Oh, unpinning it made it appear for Dragonblade. Wow! So YouTube has a bug in deciding between pinning and Q&A. Maybe someone should report that to, maybe I should report that to YouTube. Oh, interesting. Good to know. Thanks for letting me know, guys. All right. So, this is by Solar Pellets. It's called Build 3. Look at the blocks to move them. Make 3 blocks of the same color collide to clear them. Ooh, I like this. I like this. More of a concept exploration than a game in and of itself, but it was fun to make. Nice. It sounds like a good experience, if nothing else. I can't wait to try it. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's go. Build 3. Not 2. Not 4. But 3. Whoa. 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 Look at blocks to move them. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Is there a hotkey to like go full screen? Besides, I know F11. But I know sometimes some of these, because I'm having some trouble looking around here. I'm having some trouble looking around. Let me make sure I have my cursor in the middle. Okay, now we're doing better. Now we're doing better. Look at the blocks to move them. Oh, so I have to click as well. Okay, we're good. Whoa. Yo, you made a match 3 game. Yo, Solar Pellets made a match 3 game in Unity. In an hour. Wow. Or something. Yo, this is so cool. I think I have to click. I'm pretty sure I do. Unless I'm just imagining that I do. So I'm looking, nothing is happening. if I click, oops, I have to make sure my cursor is right in the middle. You tried to make that work, but you couldn't get it. Okay. Well, it did. Apparently, you did get it to work. Welcome back, unknown. Good to see you. There should be blue blocks, but Unity. There's some blue ones. Okay. Dude, this is awesome. Now I want to, how am I going to score it? I mean, I kind of have to time, there's really not a way I can take a screenshot and score this one, but that's okay. We don't have to have high scores up in here. We don't have to have high scores up in here. Sometimes a game is just fun to play. Yeah, isn't this awesome? Isn't this great? I love this. This is just fun. It's like relaxing. There's something very trippy about having to look at it. I feel like I'm doing some kind of telepathic thing. Oh, score those points, baby. Imaginary points. We're imagining the points. Yeah, this is fantastic. Look at that. Let it stack. Let it stack. What's the point? The point is to try to sharpen your game dev skills by seeing if you can put a game together in only 1 hour. That's the whole point. The point of the game is Evil Tetris. The point of the game is to match 3 in a row, and then you've done it. Congratulations. That's the point. Whoop. Yes, I cleared the board. I'd almost say that's not a bad like challenge, is to try to clear the board. Yeah, connect 3. Yeah, it's like connect 3. Exactly. Let me move this out of here. This is relaxing. It's like very chill. Now, when I click, I do have to make sure that, so there's a reticule in the center. I have to make sure that that is what I click with, not my mouse. But the mouse click does make it work. This is great. It feels like a sorting game. Like, you managed to set up a way for this to spawn and fall down. You've got collision boundaries here. And then it's also able to detect, you know, the ones that it's similar to, and know that it has a certain amount, that a certain condition that's been met before it starts clearing them. You also got the camera, the interaction. The interaction is really, really nice. This is not, in my mind, this is not an easy game to put together in an hour. And in Unity, I remember there was a time people would be like, you can't make a game in 1 hour in Unity and export to WebGL. It's impossible. It's impossible. Solar Pellets has shown you it is possible. And it can be fun. I could do this all day. Oh! No! You don't want to throw them away. It's not good to throw them away. That is not the best option. All right, I'm just going to finish this round. That is to say, I want to get them all clear, which is hard to say may happen. I guess you can just knock them off and then it's clear. Oh, oh, stack that there, stack that there. There are no rules here. Why have rules? Sometimes it's nice. Feel free to throw them away. All right. Wait, I cleared the board. No, I said I cleared the board. I said I cleared the board. I cleared the board. All right, there we go. Hey, stay away. Awesome game. Super good. I loved it. I loved it. I'll at least leave something. This is super fun. Very relaxing. Impressive for 1 hour in Unity. I usually would leave a score. I guess we'll say if there's no way to leave a score, I'll at least just leave a comment. Boosted in the ol' algorithm. Nice, awesome, amazing work, Solar Pellets. Holy crap. Congrats. You nailed it. You nailed it. Oh, Kai Guy, I've had that bug in GDevelop. I hate that. Yeah. Yo, when I was still using GDevelop, I made the vow to never use Piskel embedded in GDevelop again. I had that same problem. It sucks. There's nothing you can do. You're literally just like in trouble. I hate it. All gone? You didn't save it? Ah! Yeah, it's not great. It's not great. The Piskel integration in GDevelop is terrible. I am so sorry that happened. I wish I could have warned you somehow. I don't know how I forgot about it until you mentioned it. I remember I would just like spam save even though I couldn't see anything, or control S, But I don't think there was a way to do that. You might, no, I don't know that there is. Dang. If you haven't saved it already, yeah, it's kind of like, it kind of boils down to just get in the habit of saving regularly in your life in general, which it doesn't help you now, but dang, I'm so sorry to hear that. Okay. Who's next? We got, I want to go. Ocean. I believe that is Ocean volunteering to go next. I know, right? I don't know if you save the game at some point, but it's not very far. Oh, Guy, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, so I think Ocean was volunteering to go next. Find the build animal. Find the build animal. No, Knuckle Blaster. That was true if you weren't going to be able to post something, but you did. And besides, Ocean was in there already. The queue is everything. If you want to go next, you must be in order in the queue. Just your sprite edits are gone. That could be worse. That could be worse. All right, we're playing Ocean and Will Griff's game. Find the build animal. Ducks are not allowed in the park. You are the county's. Oh my gosh, the story. Yes, story. Ducks are not allowed in the park. You are the county's only certified duck catcher. You have a license and everything. This is charming. You must find the duck to remove it from the park. I cannot stress enough. Ducks shouldn't be in this park. Rats, dogs, and snails are fine. But seriously, no ducks. This is adorable. I love this. Okay, cool. Love it. Right-click and drag to move the camera. Click to select the build animal. And then a score to beat. No score to beat. You just gotta win. All right, let's go. We're gonna find the build animal. It's intense lore. I love it. Yeah, okay, guy. It is amazing. But I feel like the better you learn the tools that you're working with, and not only that, it's not only how well you learn the tools, but how well you understand what you're capable of and able to smash that into an hour or less and being able to produce something. All right, here we go. I don't fully understand how to play this game, but I'm here. I'm here to find out. Whoa. What is happening over here? So I gotta look for ducks. Wow, I'm moving the camera! Okay, this is one of the coolest feelings I've ever had playing one of these games. I know we're hitting milestones today. I feel the most proud of the game I've ever made. I feel the best ever. Look at this, playing this game. Do you see how fun this feels? I'm just clicking and dragging around. It's giving Where's Waldo, like infinite Where's Waldo. Okay, it's not infinite, but... So we have to find the build animal. Why is it called a build animal? Duck! But I love ducks. Geese on the other... Oh, geese are scary. Yeah, geese are scary. Yeah, the art is amazing. The lore is good. The art is good. The mechanic feels good. Like, the clicking and dragging. This is very fun. Like, You've taken me back. You've taken me back to playing Where's Waldo. I'm gonna be clear that I absolutely do not understand how this fits with the theme build. That's okay. I'm not gonna theme police anybody, but I am going to wonder how this has anything to do with building. Where's this friggin' duck? I guess this would be a good one to set a timer for and find it as quickly as possible. This ain't my best run. Well, maybe it is. Where is the duck? What does a duck look like? Maybe I'm staying on the edges too much. You guys got to tell me if you see a duck. You don't have to, but you can think about it. The park has a bunch of signs that were built there. Oh, that's a good point. I'll take it. Yeah, this art style is fabulous. The color palette, like the pink, the dark red, and then like the not dark red. I want to pet the doggo. Yes. Yes, that doggo could use a good pet. Yo, this duck is I would are we going for a duck jump scare? I would go so far as to say that this park is duck free. You know? Like if my job is to keep ducks out, I think I've done my job. I think the oh, I see a duck! Die! You found the bit. Oh, because it has a duck bill. I'll take it. I'll take it. I like it. Very nice. Very, very nice use of the theme. I love it. A duck's beak is called a bill. So you're looking for the billed animal. Acceptable. I mean, it all would have been acceptable, but I especially accept that. And I now believe that you made this in an hour. You guys are amazing. You got a nice win screen here. All right, I'm going to see if I can find it in a certain amount of time. I may not be able to, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try. All right, I'm going to run this timer. You could also be playing as a character named Bill. Right, but then it wouldn't be build, right? It wouldn't be build. The fact that it's a build animal with a D is really what makes it work, I think. Dude, this clock is actually hurting me right now. I assumed the duck was gonna build something to get rid of the dogs. Just build cannons and traps and Looney Tunes contraptions. Where is it? Where is it? I wonder if I even had seen it before, but I missed it. Okay, you guys can't help me now. Now that we've done it once, I don't want any help. Because then my high score will be a lie. And we can't have that. Only got 30 seconds left. I saw it? Oh no! No, don't tell me that! Where is it? You can tell me that. Where is it? Where's that freaking duck? Have I tried clicking another animal? Uh-oh. No, you made me lose! No! I should have waited. I should have waited. I'm counting this with my time. This goes with my time. It's the same one. It's the same run. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is a good use of overtime. Apparently, I'm not good at spying with my little eye. Where is it? Where is it? I know you're here somewhere, duck. I know you're here. You saw it? Oh, man. Oh, man. You know, because, the way you designed, the mice, they have, they're so pointy. And then even the dog kind of has, a similar shape. It's easy to, get confused. Something red? Wow. That might not be impressive. Oh, my gosh. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? I think I officially am not good at this game. Okay. I might have to just give up. I'll say this. If it takes more than 3 minutes, I have to forfeit. I have to forfeit. Oh, it's covered up? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. That is so nice of you to say. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I can't do it. I can't believe it's taken me 3 minutes to find it. Well, we know what where my skills lie and where they don't. This is not where. Very satisfying game. I have fully enjoyed it. I officially forfeit. I forfeit. Uh-oh, that animal is not build. Adorable. You saw it again! I'm just not that good at it. I'm just not. Left? Oh, well, I left the attempt. I left the attempt. And that's just the way it has to be. Sometimes it just goes that way. Oh well. Oh well. Very fun. Beautiful to look at. I love that you eat. Look, the outside on the window of Itch. Look, it's got the same grass. They literally continued the grass pattern outside of here. How awesome is that? It's fantastic. Such a good game. I love it. So fun. So cute. Beautiful art. Fun to move around. Love it. Amazing work. You all are a great team. Ocean and Wilgriff, legends. Please add your pin to make sure it's you. Oh, because you're getting billed to an account? Nice. I love when folks interpret the theme in like an unexpected way. It's very satisfying. Amazing, amazing entry. Dude, you all are incredible. Like you guys make such cool games every time you guys join in. So thank you. We're honored. We're honored to be able to show off what you put together, even if I smack the microphone. All right, who's next? We got Knuckle Blaster. Knuckle Blaster said there's something hidden in the game. A secret that took you compressing and changing file types. Okay, I hope I can I hope I can find it. Knuckle Blaster, Knuckle Blaster. Where is your game? Is it community tab? Is it the community tab? It is. It is. Don't press J. Self-explanatory. Click to play stuff. Did you put a game in here? I don't see a game, Knuckle. Am I bugging? You can cheat in the duck game? What? Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Knuckle, there's no game in here, just so you know. So I will give you some time. It's good? You did it? Nice. Nice save. No wait, it's not. What? I don't know. I will give you 1 minute to resolve this. And then we move on. 1 minute. But then I'll come back to you next. So don't worry. It's not a big deal. Ooh! Nice save. Let's go. Oh yeah, Katie makes a great point. Katie makes a great point. If you're here, you're enjoying yourself, or you just want to help support this stream, please consider hitting that like button. There's a like button, and if you press it, it means more people will see this live stream and be recommended the video after we go live. So thank you if you do press that like button. Hyper smash that like button. Bing, bing, bing. Thanks for reminding everybody. I appreciate that, Katie. Took longer for you to get out of my face. All right, here we go. Here we go. It's not my fault. I blame the timer for being slow. It's not me. It's the timer. Just don't press J. Okay. Okay. Just don't press J. That's it. That's it. There's sound. Okay. Just don't press J. Whatever you do. You can do all kinds of things in this game. Just don't press J. Look at this delightful... This is a delightful intro. I like this. The J mechanic took so long to implement. I just want to admire this intro screen. This is the coolest, most hardcore intro screen I think I've ever seen. You made this music? I assume you did. Just give me the word that you did. Bottom right corner. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. There's... I see the bottom right corner. The games are awesome. I'm burning your time. But it's uncopyrighted. That's a mute. I even regret that I did that much. If the stream was muted and you just now heard it come back after, if you're watching it after the live stream, it's because Knuckle Blaster failed to tell me that they didn't make the music themselves. That's okay. But I don't trust anything if you guys didn't make the music. That's the rule. And you have to have made it during the time frame. All right, here we go. Something like that. I'm just... Oh, okay. Don't press J. I win. What? What the heck is going on? Is it already over? I got a check mark. I got a check mark. Is that... I lost? But I got a check mark. Check mark means win. Check mark means win. Right? Isn't that what that means? Okay, so I didn't win. Well, if I lost poorly, that means I didn't do that badly, if you think about it. So, okay, so I don't know why it's called now press J. You told me not to press J. What in troll game have you made here? For crying out loud. Make it make sense. Next time you load in, press J. You told me not to. Good night. Good night, S. Knuckle Blaster, come on. Come on. This isn't... What are we doing? What are we doing here? What? Come on. Honestly, I hate this. This is so annoying. Why are you doing this? This is not a game. Don't be like this. I'm gonna play your actual game. Childish. It's childish behavior. Come on now. Alright, we're gonna play your actual game. Not that I understand how to play it. Okay, this is cool. See, this is cool. I better win. You got 5 seconds in the duck game? Okay, so now I know there must be some kind of exploit. You've made a cool thing here. We're building a way to push it up. Am I gonna have to put a rule? Don't put like troll things in your games. Jeez. Okay. Whoop. This is awesome. This is cool. Look at this. We got a block that moves around. And then I'm guessing what? Oh, I thought I was doing okay. Oh, limited ink. Why did I lose that time? I drew too much. I did too much drawing. It's a cool game. It's a cool game. No. So I have to just nudge it. And where am I trying to get it? You didn't lose. You hit the check marks hitbox. So, oh, that's win. So we want to go to the check mark. The check mark is good. Oh, I see. We get to the check mark. Nice. Oh, I think I just got hit. This is a cool game. You made a cool game. Don't be putting troll stuff in there. Why? It's like, come on. That's what children do. Whoop. Help me help you play your game. Or have your game be played. I'm going to play it. This is fun. This is actually very fun. I'm going to time myself, too. As soon as it starts. I'm going to start the timer, hit play. Oh. Oh, we jumped. Oh. I would say that's an exploit, but it's really not. Because as long as I still get hit by that random bullet. The random bullet is very punishing. It's very punishing. My gosh. The elevator glitch will not be removed. Well, so be it. I mean, I really like your game. I find that, like, the randomness of the bullet, wow. Because I almost don't have, like, enough time to react, to get out of the way. So it's like the game is just, like, telling me, well, too bad. I don't want you to win it. Especially the closer you get, you know? Oh, man. This is a cool game. I like your game. I don't think I'm gonna win it. I might have won it, but I didn't realize I did. But I think this is a really cool game. Nice building game. The bullet, it makes it so hard to actually win, but good job. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. Can you go above the ceiling to avoid the bullet? Knuckle Blaster says no. But I gotta say, I'm a little curious. Scratch limits how far they can go. Yeah, but does it limit it that far? Well, now I'm curious. Now I'm curious. Oh, I didn't get high enough. It just causes a severe collision glitch and lags extremely. I can't just get like a little bit high, just like a little bit above it. Just like a little bit above it. Now I'm curious. Oh, there's the lag. Okay. All right. You're right. All right, you're right. Nice game. I'm sorry that I had to endure your childish intro, but you know what? Good game. Who do we got next? Who do we got next? I have no time for children. Roxy! Alright. Roxy's game. I know, it just gave up. It just said, never mind. You know what? Not a game anymore. Build a monster. Honestly, this whole time, I've just been taunted by this thumbnail. Oh, wait, it's different now. The way that it was before, it was taunting me. It was creepy. Still kind of creepy. This is a monster builder. Customize your enemies, both their appearance and their speed. Once you are satisfied, you can press the play button to play a simple game. What? The game's objective is to click on the enemies before they cross the red line. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. We can customize our enemies and their speed. And then we try to, like, fight them. I mean, the novelness of this idea has already got me excited. I have to kill the very thing that I create? That's, like, deep. This is what was taunting me. Whoa, do you guys see the colors? This is awesome. Wow. It's like rotating. It's like a choose your character screen. Dude, the background is awesome. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at these little pop-ups. Okay, this is awesome. This is extremely cool. I like this a lot. These are fun. I'm gonna go with the devil horns. Oh, definitely blob. I'm definitely a demonic blob. I identify as a demonic blob. Whoa. A paranoid demonic blob at that. But a little cute too. Oh. Okay, I very much like this. Oh, I like a game that lets you be creative. Okay, and then we can make it. Obviously, I want the most speed. And my monster is reset. I'm gonna try a different monster this time. And it's a sleepy speech bubble. It's a speech bubble having a sweet dream. We're gonna stay at speed 10. Yes, yes, yes. Gotcha. I don't know if there's a score. But if I try to check, if I try to check if, there's a score, I'm gonna die. Let me make sure I zoom all the way out so I can appreciate this. Dude, this is a super cool game. Honestly, something that I think works really well with games that have, like, creative aspects is it attaches me as a player to the experience of playing it. It makes me want to play it more because oh yeah, we got a kill count. Whoop. Because whoop. Because I had like a part in it. You know? It gives me like a stake in it in some weird way. Like, this is my game. I made it this way. I'm going to make the speed super slow because that's the game I want. It's honestly got like accessibility vibes even. That you can choose your pace. That's so cool. This is super fun. It's solid. Whoop, 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 bam. And it's cool to adjust the speed because it, like, I can craft the experience to be what I want. 5 is a bit slow. Unless I lose focus. I'm kind of missing the higher speed. I say as I almost lose. Oh yeah, we got 57 kills. And it kind of like goes with itself. Like the fact that you can design your own enemy and then design how you play the game. It's like it works. It just works all together as a like thematically. Dude, I'm chilling. I'm chilling and I'm killing. 100. I kind of want to, I'm just going to let it die. Kind of a hard one to do scores for. I want to try a higher speed. Whoop, whoop. It's like I want more of a challenge. I desire more of a challenge. Bam, bam. Oh, it's really hard at a higher speed. Bam. Oh, those clicks. Those clicks do be hard to register because it's sort of like they start skipping. They like start jumping, and so if I click at the wrong time, I kind of miss it. That's my excuse for not being good enough at clicking. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to be clicking. Oh, that's hard because I can't even see the mouse. Click, 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 click. Gotcha. Die, 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 die. Oh, die, 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 die. Dude, I love the relationship that I have with this game. It is pleasantly hypnotizing. Because, you know, on some level, it's like, you know, you often hear like, oh, if a game has too many difficulty options, then there's no point. You don't feel motivated to play a game if you can change the difficulty or something. You know, I feel like I've heard people say that in general. And to me, it actually gives me like a deeper relationship with the game where I'm here to have the experience I want to have and enjoy myself the way I want to enjoy myself. And then I'm almost like more determined to stay here and keep enjoying myself. Like, hey, this is my experience. Like, I'm not just going to bail on this. I want to keep doing it in different ways and see what it feels like. I'm serious. I'm having like a revelation here about how this changes the nature of like the player's relationship with the game. That it doesn't have to be about being the best next to like a standard, you know? Like it could actually be I'm just here to play with like this sandbox a bit and see what happens relative to my own skill. I don't know. I'm just kind of rambling, but I just really like it. There's like a cool game idea here. Like game philosophy wise. It kind of changes the nature of what I thought a game could be. Nice work, Roxy. And made in an hour. A way to customize your experience and still play a little game after. No comments on this one, but I'll put it over here. Very fun. Love getting to create my own experience. It's oddly motivating knowing I made it. Yeah, I very much enjoyed it. See you later, Katie. Thanks for hanging out, though. I appreciate it. Goodbye for now, Katie. All right, who's next? Who is next in this game jam that we do? Jim Bink made Flower Builder. I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that. Do do do. Where's Jim's game? Oh, yeah, right. Malphus Interactive. Yes, thank you for telling me the game name. I was like, Jim Bink, Jim Bink, Jim Bink. You literally said it was called Flower Builder. Adorable. Adorable. It's giving like Mario vibes. Defend your flower from zombie blocks. Whoa. By building walls. Move your cursor with the arrow keys. Press space to place blocks. It would be my pleasure. It would be my pleasure. So we're gonna... I mean, it's almost giving me like a Plants vs. Zombies vibe. Just from the description. I'm not saying that's what it'll be like. But it's like what it reminds me of. What's up, Gab Games? Move your cursor with the arrow keys. Press space to place blocks. Oh. Whoa. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm in danger. Whoa. Okay. No end screen. R to retry. Oh, it's got full screen. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking, baby. Oh, there's sounds. I hear things. It's 2 a.m. there, but you're a night owl. Did you join the queue, PT? Yeah. Basically, we check out entries in the order that folks join the queue. So there's a Q&A button at the top of the chat. I think I win. Right? Unless they can destroy it. There's a Q&A button at the top of the chat. Click on that. And then just type something, and then I'll know that you're next. So here's all the people who have already joined in. So we got a list. Right now we're on Jim Bink. Just so you know. Thanks for staying up to hang out with us. I love that the game pauses itself. Oh, they do destroy it over time. We gotta be careful. Yo, you guys made awesome games today. Because build at first is kind of a scary topic. But y'all pulled it together. I'm a little nervous about this music. It sounds like something Jim Bink could have made themselves. But you guys got to hear it a little. I'm gonna mute it. I guess what I should do is make a rule that is a little bit more clear about how I decide to mute music or not. You're confused? I'm not sure why Godot is being dumb. Oh no, that sucks. Oh no. This is very relaxing. Now I see though that the zombies are increasing in number. I wonder if I can just build infinitely also. So I would imagine that eventually this gets a lot harder. I think what I'll do for the music thing is I'll start saying that if you want your game to not be muted, you have to pinky swear that you made the music yourself and it isn't licensed. And it won't be licensed. What? What? I'm just fortifying my defenses here. This is very satisfying. I feel like I'm safe. I also really like the block design. Like that there's the pattern. Because I would have almost expected. Yeah, I mean, that's promising. You know, it's like, here's the thing, like, as a person creating on YouTube, live streams every week, hundreds of live streams. One thing, look at this zombie that's trapped in here. One thing that can happen is people who, oh my God, what? What? No, I had defenses. Dude, those zombies said, we are getting in. We want the flower now. Dude, all right. Well, I have to be more careful. One thing that can happen is something can be CC0. And then one day, the creator decides to make it licensed. Right? Like there's no reason that they couldn't just change the license at some point. And so if they do, then my channel can get a range of consequences depending on what that license ends up being. And YouTube will find the music. It will find the music. Oh, that's a good idea. You can probably, PT, but they break out. That's a good idea to like just keep them off to the side. So, like, for me, it boils down to hassle. And having to deal with that when that happens. And a range of consequences can come from a copyright strike, from just demonetization, to sometimes a video can just be completely privated until the issue is resolved. And it just becomes a bit of a headache. And a bit risky. So personally, I mean, it's even taking a risk. There's no reason why you couldn't just make a game, if you made music in an hour, maybe someday you license that, you know? It's possible. But that's the level of risk that I'm willing to take. This is fun. I'm enjoying myself. These zombies that get trapped in there, they are devastating because it's like they get angrier and they get this like terminal velocity. I don't think that's a word that makes sense here. Anyway, the point is I just don't like messing with any risk whatsoever. If I can avoid it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know. I guess time is up, but I'm just like enjoying myself. It feels very intense to be like barricading like this. It's like it almost makes me feel like at once claustrophobic and like under threat, which makes sense, but it's I don't know. It's like a primal. Oh no, look, oh shoot. It's a very primal feeling, like I have to protect myself from invaders and build a wall. They really kind of eat their way in if you're not paying attention. Well, I could keep doing this for so long because this is really fun, but I won't because we have other games to check out. I hope that makes sense though with the sound stuff. And if it doesn't, I'm sorry. This was super fun. I mean, I want to keep playing it, but we can't. Nicely done, Jim. This is a great little game. I don't have a score to post, but I will say, oh, someone couldn't get it to work. Oh, that's unfortunate. Very satisfying, but also very scary to be defending myself perpetually from invaders. Those zombies wiggle their way in. Yeah, this is a great game. It's amazing that you made this in an hour. Awesome work, Jim Bink. I love it. I enjoy it. I want to keep playing it. But I can't keep playing it. What am I going to do? Keep playing it? The key was to go full screen. Oh. I'm glad I did. I hope you got to play it, because it's a fun one. Ariake Block City D-Make. Oh. I like the sound of that. Let's check it out. Block City D-Make. Made in an hour and 38 minutes. Press anywhere on screen to drop your block, build the highest tower, and share your score. I love the honesty with how long it took. That's still a very short amount of time. Whoa! We got stuff happening. Hey, what's up, May? Wow. Okay. Okay. What's going on here? Okay. I'm gonna at least try to get my Zoom set up. I don't know. I could give you some more time if you want to, like, fix it. Or maybe it's playable as it is, Ariake. But right now, I'm not exactly sure how to see what's going on. Sometimes, you know, depending on people's resolutions of their screen or whatever, the game can show up differently. But I'm not really able to get it to move. But maybe this is fine. I see there's like a countdown over here. Press anywhere to drop your block, build the highest tower, and share your score. I'm a little confused. Maybe I should give Ariake a little more time. And we can circle back to this one to see if it is sorted out. But I don't know if Ariake is still here. So, I'll at least leave a comment. The screen looks messed up. Ariake is here. Okay. Alright, Ariake's gonna fix it. 1 minute to fix it. And then we'll move on to the next person. And then we can just come back to you later. We can just come back to you as well. Do-do-do, this is the waiting song. It's a song about waiting long. Look at all these entries we got. Who's up next? Next would be Maxi Taxi. Maxi Taxis. Mr. Mexico. I'm guessing that's who Maxi Taxi is. Would be my guess. Fixed it. Let's go. Nice. Nice save. Oh. It's bigger, but it's also still cut off. So I'm going to give you a little bit more time to fix it. Let's check out Maxi Taxi's game. As you can see, it's still giving... Maybe, I mean, I could try opening it in a new... Sometimes, like... It, like, remembers things. No, it's still cut off. Alright, we're gonna check out Maxi Taxis. I assume that's Mr. Mexico. Let me just see if there was like a game name in here. Box Builder. Got it. Yes. Let's do this. Let's do this. Build those boxes like your life depends on it. Dude, this thumbnail is amazing. Look at that. Look at that character. It's like, who's that? I love the story this is already telling. Cool. And it's like, it looks like you made like separate art too. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Try to survive for as long as possible. Place boxes under you to stay in the air, but use your boxes sparingly. You don't have an endless supply. Score will rack up endlessly, even if you die. Okay, we have to do an honor system here. A and D to move, W to jump, S to place a box under the player. We do have a score to beat. Katie got 219. Nice. And Guy Elder got 110. Oh, we got some scores. It's score time. All right. S to place boxes. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see. Whoa, cool. I like this. Oh my gosh. This looks like a fun game. Let me get out the way. I'm going to try to... Oh my gosh. Wow. If I go full screen, will it... Okay, let's do that. Wow, this is a cool game. Look at this flashing up here. This is awesome. I'm going to try to get the chat out of the way. This is awesome. I love the moving... I'm just admiring what you've set up. Look at the moving water. These, like, bust it. This is so cool. This looks awesome. And this, like, construction worker is so funny. This poor construction worker. I just want to zoom in. I just want to admire what you've done. Look at this. It's really funny. So I'm obviously in great danger here. But not danger enough. Oh. Oh. Oh, the boxes are going to completely run out. They don't even respawn. When they're gone, they're gone. And so the score is to stay alive as long as possible. So Katie got like 250 something, and Guy Elder got 110. So I got to do better than that. And then we have to do a little bit of an honor system. And when the game is over, we run out of boxes. Or we fall off the edge or something. We have to make sure we actually end it. Yeah, the art is amazing. And honestly, look at these game dev choices. I love the, like, oh, there's so many good things here. Wow. I love the preview box below you that communicates so well to the player. Because it's like a little translucent, right? Like underneath the player. So you can very clearly see that when you put it down, that's where it's going to go. And then the alert that shows you where it's going to fall. Amazing. That's so helpful. I can like brace myself. Like I'm like, okay, that's over there. I'm going to be fine. It's not going to fall on me. It's a good thing we're wearing a safety helmet. This is what the helmets are for. I know, I do wonder, like if I get hit with it, will I be in trouble? Or is it just about not falling in the water? I guess I need like a life preserver or like a jacket. A life preserver jacket. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, screenshot it quickly. I gotta screenshot it quickly. I did it. I tried to do it as quickly as I could. All right, let's do another run. Let's do another run. This is a super fun game. And it's really well made. It's funny, and I like that there's some blocks at the beginning. I forgot by the time I started like playing, or by the time I got back to the second round, I completely forgot that there was some at the start. But it's nice because it gives you like some free time when you begin. Oh, and then look at the background on itch. It's a bunch of boxes. Because then you don't have to spend... Uh-oh. Oh, no! Oh, no, I fell. Whoa! You can save yourself. Wait, is that supposed to happen? Are you supposed to be able to save yourself? Place box under the air, but use a bug experience. Okay, so I don't know if I cheated. Did I just cheat? I'm gonna press enter to restart. I guess I was falling infinitely, and I was able to build myself back up. And become rescued. I know it's a bit of a waste of boxes, but I kind of want to just, for funsies, just like build a... It's a total waste, because there's already a ground there. It's like, I saved myself. We fly. I believed I could, and I did. I like the idea of just like building a fortress for myself. Not that it is gonna do me any good, but it makes me feel safer. Yeah, the result is really good. It's super solid. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Oh, there's music, there's sound. I didn't even notice this whole time there's been sound. Dude, I gotta add an extra, because I muted the last one, so I forgot to do this one. I gotta give you a little extra time so we can appreciate all these sound effects. I kind of want to at least play it long enough to beat my next score. So there's some building sounds, and then when you break stuff, it makes a sound. Yo, you got solid, helpful, instructive game mechanics. You made art. You obviously have a game concept. We can restart the game. The game starts. You added sound effects that fit for what you're doing. When I jump, it goes boing. Look at that. This is a lot of difficult elements, in my experience, to put together in a short amount of time. But you did all that. I'm sorry I didn't hear the sound sooner. That building sound is really satisfying. It makes me want to spam it because it's so satisfying. Well, I'm about to lose. Wait, let me see if I can at least get a high score. I've obviously spammed way too many boxes. Yo, thank you for joining and inspiring me with your cool idea. I need to at least get a high score. Uh-oh. That messed me up. We're good. We're fine. We're still here. We're still in this. We're still in this, baby. Yeah, you pulled together. You pulled together some great things. Oh, no! Oh, shoot! Wait, I'm jumping in the air. Let's go. Okay, we got to do honor system. We have to do honor system. So you can also jump infinitely. I think I can probably save myself and appear again. There we go. Some incentive to move around some more. Yeah, I know. So I was almost thinking you could have more. There's some anti-cheat things that need to go in there, I would say. But almost, I would say more cannonballs falling would be good. Or it like scales quicker. And then it should probably kill you if you fall. Oh, and look, there's even a, you don't have any more. So I'm trying to spawn a new box, but there's a sound effect saying, can't do it. Thoroughly impressive. Thoroughly impressive. Well done. Dang, that was solid. That was so solid. Let's see if Aroyaki's game is ready. Nice work. Maybe you have to move around to find building materials. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, I like that. Wow, so that way you're not just out, and it doesn't just like finish you. You can keep going, but in order to keep going, you have to go collect things, which means if the especially if the cannonball hitting you will hurt you. that would be quite devastating. Well, let's put it this way. If anything can hurt you, it seems like nothing can hurt you. But it's a great game. I look forward to, if you ever update it, I'd be down to check it out. All right, let's see if Ariaki's game... Yes! Ariaki's game is ready. Let us play. Block City Demake. I saw Blockity. Is Block City Demake ready to drop? Whoa, this is cool. Wow. So it's like waiting for me to drop it. Awesome movement. I love the like curvature. Feels cool. Oh! Oh! Okay. All right, we dropping. I lose. Wait, why do I lose? What did I do? Build the highest tower. I failed. I don't know how I failed, but I definitely did. Why am I so bad at this? Oh, is it if you don't get it on top? Oh, this is a cool game. Interesting. So, oh, you get more points if you manage to get it on top. Nice. Oh, this is a great game. This is a really good idea. Yeah. Super nice. Whoop. Oh! Is there any high scores in the chat or in the description or the comments? It took me a few tries, but I got the word. Yo, this is a very good high scoreable one. Yeah, I mean, you know, look, being inspired by other games is incredibly acceptable. I've definitely played a game like this, where you stack blocks as high as you can. And then there's like gravity and stuff, and it's like shaky. I kind of like that you're just landing it on top of it, and it isn't stacking. There's something kind of unique about that. Whoop! Yep! And it's nice that there's the curvature. I don't know, it makes it like a little harder. Yes! Yes! Yes. But I do see how if there is the physics, it adds like a built-in challenge to it. Because then... Oh, wait, it's getting faster! I was gonna say, then there's scaling. Ooh, my score gets blocked by the pop-up. I have to screenshot it quick or something. You build a city using 4 colors. Oh. That is not... No, I didn't... That's not the game that I played. That's cool. I don't love that my score gets blocked. I can't screenshot it! No! Unless I can screenshot through that, because then it restarts it. Maybe there's some way. Maybe if I keep it up high. Maybe if I zoom out enough. Oh, yeah. Maybe. It might still cover it up. Let me lose so I can see. No! I can't screenshot! Well, I guess I could always rewind on the stream, but that's kind of a lot of effort to screenshot that. It's so good. Yeah, you did make it pretty because you've got the score like somewhere I can check it. It's got all the info that I need to play. You did fine. Like you did fine. I mean, you know, the pop-up is a bit devastating, but you did well. So, and it does seem like it gets faster as we go along, which is impressive, because I was worried that it wasn't going to scale. Oh, yeah, maybe I could try grabbing under the alert. I could try. Like, maybe if I do, like, window screenshot, it's gonna be a little hard to tell. Oh, it's not underneath. It's not underneath. No. Good try though. Good guess, cuz It was worth it to find out. Because this is a very competitive game. You've made an incredibly competitive game. It gets nice and fast. There isn't randomness in it. There's a really annoying way. Tell me. Tell me. I want to know. My competitive side. If this was just a little lower. Just a little lower. My competitive side wants to be able to prove how well I can do. Ooh. Developer tools. Oh, I wonder if that will work. Okay, I can try that. But then I just have to figure out how do I make this go away with developer tools. I don't actually know how to do that. That's the only thing. How do I do that? How do I do that? If the score was just a little lower. Just a little lower. Very solid game. I don't want this whole time to be me just being sad that I can't capture my score. Because this is super solid. Like, you straight up made this game. You made this entire game. Yeah, you borrowed the idea, but it sounds like it's quite different from the idea you got it from. Ooh. You worked within the limits to take your idea, take someone else's idea, and make it something you could actually put together in less than an hour, or give or take. You added difficulty scaling. We've got score. Up. Up. It's clear how to play the game. Oh! Oh my gosh. Yep. Whoop. Oh man. Oh. Oh, it's getting a little slower. Am I bugging or is it getting a little slower again? Whoop. Oh, didn't matter. I still lost. I could almost screenshot it right before. I'm going to at least say my best score was 19. My best score was 19, and you're just going to have to trust me. Yeah, on fire. Very nice one. Ariaki, I loved it. Well done. I think my favorite from you. I've always appreciated the story games that you make. But for a non-story game, this is awesome. Like, you nailed going outside of that comfort zone. So good job at that. Who's next? I believe PT Jones is next. And then we got Justin's Windy Towers. Let's go. Jumper is going to be Jones's game. You move the score down? Oh. Aroyaki. Aroyaki. How dare you? In a good way. Now I have to play it. Whoa! You added you put a little extra sugar on top. Okay, I was gonna move on to someone else's game. Alright, but what? Wait, the score. Where's the score? Oh, it's it's too low. I gotta make it full screen. Now it's underneath. It's underneath. I mean, it's better. It's the ninja edit is better. But it's look. I'm still gonna try it. Oh. Oh. Oh dang. The best I could prove. The best I had time to prove. I only had time to prove I got 5. I'll at least reply that much. Where's my text? Why is my text not appearing? I only had time to screenshot proof that I got 5. It looks so sus. I look like such a liar. Sometimes that's just who you are. All right. Let's check out PT Jones now. So PT Jones, hey, what's up, zombie? PT Jones gave us a game called Jumper. Oh, PT Jones, I think your game is not public or something, or it doesn't exist. It would appear that it's not there. It would appear it has disappeared. I pressed the link in the community tab. Let's try it again. Oh, it's back! We got it. I don't know why it wasn't there, but it's there now. All right, we got it. Let's go. And this is Jumper by PT Jones, made in HiPipe. Very nice. Come on, web version of HiPipe. We believe in you. No worries. My computer is like, let's go. Whoa. Oh, I have to log in. I do have to log in real quick. Oh, wow. I didn't know that they would force me to log in. Do I remember how to log in? We're gonna see. It's possible. Oh, I think I did it. I think I managed to log in. I already have a HiPipe account, so I'm solid. Oh, but then it's not gonna load the game. Okay, we have to try it one more time. One more time. Open up this. Open up that. Close this. Play that. Come on, Jumper. Come on, Jumper. Yes, I'm logged in. Let's go. Jumper time. All right. Where'd my character go? My character's gone. Goodbye, character. Did I lose? Maybe I lost already. There we go. We're jumping. Yes. Yes. I died. Oh, stacking. Whoa. Whoop. Wow. Hey, this is cool. Oh. Okay, so far my high score is 2. So this game is about jumping up on as many as you can. Huh? Whoop! Yep! No! And if you touch the side of the box, you die. Gotta be careful. I love this cute little character. This character is adorable. Oh! Whoop! No! Wow, it kind of reminds me of Ariaki's game, except you are the thing. This is a very interesting game idea. It's like, yeah, I mean, it's making a game in an hour. And you said you made it in 30 minutes? You made this in 30 minutes? Like, I see no problem with it being a cliche. And to me, it's not even a cliche. This was made in HiPipe. HiPipe is a mobile app primarily, and everything that you make in HiPipe is locked into the HiPipe platform. So it's not the type of game engine where you can export your games. But you can keep them on HiPipe, and it's a really cool way to, in my experience, prototype multiplayer games. They have nice multiplayer features. So literally, if someone else had an account and came here to play, I would see them participating as I'm in here, which is kind of cool. So yeah, it's HiPipe, and it's in early access, so it's like kind of still coming together. But as you can see, you can put a web page URL and be able to play the games in the browser. So yeah, HiPipe is what it is. Oh, It's pretty fun. It's a fun engine to use. You just have to keep in mind that you can't export anything. Yeah, the assets are pre-made. No, no, no. That's funny that you think they are. Because they are. Which, of course, is deeply okay here. We encourage pre-made assets. But yeah, HypeHype offers you a bunch of like 3D things you can stamp in and place, and they're already rigged. So actually, this character, you know, with the animation that it has, that's already built in. So that's part of what makes prototyping in it so effective is, oh, 6, let's go, is that you can use pre-made things that not only have a visual advantage, but are, you know, coded or have code attached to them already. Whoop! I think this character is an adorable choice. I don't know. I think it's so cute. Whoop! See if we can get better than 6. Give me better than 6. But I think this idea is super awesome. Oh yeah, they have a new pixel art tool. They did recently add that. I like this game concept though, because, you know, yes, stacking blocks is cliche, but the idea of like having to like climb, because you're not only climbing up stairs at the right time, but you're also building the stairs that you're climbing up. I think that's so cool. It's like an enemy or an obstacle and the platform. There's something very, very special here about a platforming game that builds itself and also will hurt you as you're building it. If you build it wrong, like build correctly or die. I think that's a really, really cool concept. Okay, I just want to get better than 6, okay? Whoop, I know I'm going overtime on everybody's games. But maybe y'all should make less fun games. How about that? Whoop. Oh, no! Wait, I thought I'd get more than 7. I thought I was gonna get more than 7. Okay? Honestly, it's my honor to get to play this game. Like, I mean it. I feel like this is a really unique idea. To be platforming on a thing that you're building and it can hurt you. You've like consolidated enemy, platform, and something else all into one mechanic. And controls. Controls, enemy, and platform all in one mechanic. That's super awesome. It does have a lot of potential as a mobile game, yeah. Like some platforms that are all spikes that you have to jump over. Ooh, I love that. Or bombs that knock you back down if you touch them. Yes, totally. And HypeHype is primarily a mobile app. And, you know, they have like, again, your game is locked into that, but they have a community there of people who play the games. And so you can even iterate a little bit by seeing how people respond to it. And you can always remake that game in a real game engine or an engine that lets you export things after you do a pilot run over here in HypeHype. Honestly, PT, this would probably be very successful on HypeHype. Like, I think you could develop this into something bigger. Yeah, take notes. Like, this is a solid idea. It's a lot of fun, and it's very challenging. And I'm sure this would be a very competitive game as well. I need to stop, but I'm enjoying myself. I'm actually really enjoying myself. Amazing. Excellent, excellent work. Whoa, that's not the internet. That's a fake. That's the fake internet. I need to open a new browser. Apparently, I just closed it. Oh, we're done here. That's the end of the jam. I'm just kidding. It's not. It's not the end of the jam. It's not really. I want to post my screenshot for this. This was solid. My high score. Loved it. Loved it, Jones. Do 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 do. And amazing that you made it in 30 minutes. Imagine what you could do with a little more time. This is a lot of work to get that parenthesis. That parenthesis mattered. All right, who do we got up next? Next, we have Justin's Windy Towers. I like the sound of that. I don't know, it sounds fun. I think that's so important. Like a game that has like a fun title, it like gets you in the mood before you even start. Okay. Justy Frusty, a game about building a crate tower while the wind is trying to blow it over. Cool. I like this idea. Whoa. This looks nice. Mr. Mexico got 67. Okay, 67. Oh, we got competitive spirit. I'm hyped. I love competing. Okay, here we go. 67 is a score to beat. Ooh, Unity! Let's go, Unity! Always impressed to see a Unity entry. Wait. Is this like a Windows XP background? I like it. Whoa. You died. Sorry, you died. Where's the full screen button? Is it that? Oh, I found it. I found it. We got it. All right. Yes, yes, it is the Windows XP background. Okay, so far it doesn't seem that windy. Whoa! Whoa. That's a cool effect. Like invisible. Why did I die? Oh, is it if they go off screen and I get more points the more oh, this is cool. Oh, I like this game. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So we have to stack as many blocks as possible. I feel like there's some little jerk just blowing my blocks over. So it's inevitable. Eventually you're going to lose. So you really need to spam as many as possible, as far over to the left, without it falling over. Because that one on the right. Ah! Wait, but like, it's not going off. It's like I can create a sort of barricade. No, 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 don't you fall. This is interesting. Little stalemate. I've bested you, god of wind. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You can't blow that. It's unblowable. Oh, wait, but I'm not getting a higher score. Hold on. Oh, I like that. I like that. No higher score. I guess the best way to take this screenshot is to make sure you have the whole middle in there if we want to be the fairest, because then we know that there isn't the you lost. But if there is the you lost, I mean, no, that doesn't make, what I said doesn't make a lot of sense. No, no, stop. Oh my gosh. It's so interesting, like how it was like waiting for me to press something before it started blowing. This is a very unique, how does this work? I've never played something like this before. No, 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 no. Oh, wind, save me. The wind helped me. I was about to lose that block. It's almost a puzzle, but like a very dynamic puzzle. No! Oh, man. Wow, 50. Wait, wasn't 67? Oh no, Mr. Mexico got 67. Oh shoot. Crap. Wait, was I able to place one? I was able to place one after it ended. Only one. That's not bad. Okay, this is serious. I just spent like more than half of my time getting a losing score. This is serious. Now, it seems like something I really want to avoid is too much tumble, so it doesn't go flying along and flying off. So I think there's like a procedure here. If I stack too high too quickly, I'm in danger. It's almost like the higher it goes, the further it knocks it. If I were to try to decode, you know, like what's happening here. So I should be fine to stack this. I really like that. That's something I really enjoy about this, is having to like puzzle out what the heck the mechanic even is. I find that very satisfying. Wow, so I can place it over here and it doesn't even, if I go from right to left, this is fascinating. Like, how does this work? I'd be very interested to know how it works, but I feel like I'm understanding it. What if I place the... No! Oh, man! Oh! Wait. Okay. Oh, man. You made an addictive game. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. So, it seems like it's going by row. So, if I press 1 here, it's going to blow it pretty far. So, the higher it is, the harder it blows it. The more like blocks there are going from right to left, the less hard it gets blown. Is that... Because it's like the blowing happens further to the end. Or not further to the end. It happens close to like where the block is spawned in. Unless it's blocked. So if I put this here, see, it didn't blow it because there's a bunch of... the wind is being blocked. Like, you literally have a force coming across. I feel like a scientist. Like I'm studying an alien planet or something. And like observing how things work. Oh man, why did you guys make good games this week? I mean, you guys always make good games, but like this is like fascinating to study what's happening here. Very, very interesting game. And I bet there's a way to take the rules of this universe and ensure that you have the best possible, the most efficient build to get the most points without, you know, going flying off the edge. Yeah, that's the rules. If something is already on the left, it's gonna block the wind from hitting it. So you want to put your blocks as far left as possible, so that way it doesn't blow off the ones on the edge. And then you can fill in as many as you want, as long as it doesn't go too high above that row. So this is going to push it pretty far, but that's okay, because I can block it anyway. Oh! Dang it, I spawned it off the edge. You must not be reckless. Amazing, fascinating game. Very interesting game. I love this. This is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites. It's... I know. Yeah. Whoops. Whoops. I lost. Misclicks. Gotta watch out for those misclicks. What does my score say there? I got 50. Uh, very enjoyable. I would love to spend. I could spend like an hour or more. I could spend like a couple hours playing this game. I don't know if you're understanding me, Justin. You made an incredibly cool game. Like, because it's not just like mechanics. Like there are mechanics, but it's like there's like discovery to be made. This could teach you could teach young people about deduction skills with this. It's working gears in my brain in a way I'm not used to in a game. You know what I'm saying? Like what is the mysterious force that's happening, and how can I, develop a hypothesis and test it to try and like maximize how to exist in this alien world. Super interesting, lots of fun. Thank you for joining in, and you're most welcome. Wow, that was awesome. So cool. Wow, build was a great topic. uh Dark Rosen's game, got it. All right, let's see what Dark Rosen came up with. Wow, I could hang out here all night. I mean, I've taken a lot longer today than we usually do, but per game. But what am I supposed to do? You guys make cool games. I gotta take a while. Not to say that if I don't take a while, you guys didn't make cool games. Just means today I'm feeling like having fun. All right, Dark Rosen's game, Transport Router. You are a transport manager for the small town of Bistual. Bistual. Very creative name. I like it. You have been tasked to route the trains to collect building materials from the surrounding mines in order to expand the town's industrial district. I like the lore. I'm in it. Let's build up this town. In order to gain points, both trains must deposit their goods from the mine stations to the main station. So we got to go from this to this. Don't let the trains crash or run out of time. Controls. Type 1 through 9. Oh god, I hope it's not numpad. Type 1 through 9 into the trains to control their speed to the next station. What the concept? If they hit each other, they crash. Known bug. The score counter increases by 3 instead of 1 every time you score a point. No idea why. Okay, that's not too bad. Alright. 1 to 9 to control the speed to the next station. We want to make sure that the trains deposit their goods from the brown to the pink ones. Okay, I'm confused, but I assume it might make more sense once I start playing. So let's start playing. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm not going to be able to do it. It's when I was thinking Dungeon Martian, I was like, okay, we got to get a pen and paper. Type a number. Okay. 2. Oh no, I was afraid of this. It doesn't know my numbers. I don't have a numpad on my keyboard. I have no numpad. Oh, I know what I could do. Let me see if I can get... You need to click on the box. Oh, okay. I was like... Okay, click on the box. Where's the box? What is a box? Well done for running out of time. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh... Thank you. Thank you. I'm like, your game is broken. It's not. I'm broken. Okay, so... 5. Oh, what? Oh, yo, this game is wild! Okay, so I want to move this one first. Wait. 2, 1. Whoa! Okay, let me move the chat. Whoa, how does it know which track to go on? This is cool. Uh, Oh, this is super interesting. You guys made cool games. It doesn't know it's preset. Yeah, that makes more sense. I don't know where to put the chat for this game, which is fine, but it's true. Maybe in the middle. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Go, go, go! Whoa, this is awesome. Whoa! So we basically the way this game works is I have to just like keep entering. Am I doing this right? My score isn't going up. Oh, it is going up. I have to keep entering numbers that make the speed not bump into each other. It honestly, see you later, PT Jones. It honestly reminds me of a lot of the games like PT Jones made. Wow. This is like such a great culmination of, oh, I didn't get to screenshot it. A great culmination of many of the games that have been made today. Like Aroxy's game that had you, like adding in your own monster design. Right? You create your own monster and then you choose the monster's speed and then you have to like, you know, fight against those monsters. In PT Jones' game where you're building your own platforms. Like this feels very similar to that where I am deciding the speed. I'm deciding the speed in order to set my own pace and stay within a time limit. Yeah. So I feel like I have this like customization. Like I'm in control a bit of how this goes. Like, do I dare? Do I dare to give myself the challenge of going faster? I do not. I regret doing that. I mean, maybe I'm connecting dots where they aren't, but to me, it reminds me of it. And maybe that's just inherent to the topic being build, you know? Oh, jeez. Well done for crashing the trains. I love this. I love this. I love having some, like, agency where my choices feel like they matter. Okay, do not make it fast there. Oh, but then I have to commit. I have to commit because I can't update my time after, my speed after. What a unique game idea. Never played a game like this before. I've had so many unique experiences today. I feel lucky, honestly. Uh-oh, that was not smart. Huh? Whew. Risky. Okay, look, you wanna beat your score. Go! Yes! Yes! Because this almost feels like a simulation. Isn't this a wild concept? It almost feels like a simulation game or something. Dark Rosen, it might be too hard, but maybe not. Because I can set my own speeds. You know, like, yeah, the time is ticking, which does add a little extra thing, but at some point I'm kind of getting used to this. So I could see how on some level I could get used to the rhythm and then it's like not really a challenge anymore. So if like the number of trains increased somehow, that would definitely, like, it like zooms out and there's like another track or something. I don't know. It's really exciting to imagine how this game could be expanded. I am so proud of everybody today. This is wild. This is wild how many interesting and unique games. Even if you think you made a cliche game, like, you made a unique game. You had to still pull it together in your own way and still make it work. Oh! I think 2 trains would be really interesting. More trains. I'm envisioning a way to make it playable using only the keyboard. Tab key to switch to the next trains. Yes. Oh! Don't press the tab key. Well, I guess I ran out of time. No! I didn't get to screenshot it! No! Frick! Dang it! No! Well, I'm gonna have to obviously open up the live stream and rewind. Like, if I care about myself, if I really care about myself, I will rewind the stream and screenshot it. I deserve to screenshot it. I don't think tab was the problem. I think I just ran out of time. I just ran out of time. That was all. All right, let's catch this up a bit. Let's catch this up a bit. I gotta get my screenshot. All right, there we go. We gotta get a screenshot with the chat. So you have been immortalized. Kai guy. You have been immortalized. My score 33. Wow, that game was awesome. That was such a good game. Very unique, very interesting. It was a stressful game. I will say it was a stressful game. But like, you know, it's not quite as at your own pace, you know, as it could have been, right? Because obviously there's a time pressure. But I liked feeling responsible for my choices. Like, can I handle it to be faster? And I liked what it felt like in my brain to try and decide if I could make it faster. Like, this round, should I try a faster train? I don't know. Like, that was fun because I was doing it so quick. I was thinking so quickly. Wait, so was there difficulty scaling? Because if without difficulty scaling, I would think the sky's the limit. But maybe there was difficulty scaling and I didn't realize it. Did like time start going faster, or like you were gaining less time or something? Oh no, there was music! No scaling, so it's definitely possible. Let's play the music. I'm so sorry. I gotta get better with my music situation. Somehow I need to be able to monitor the music, but also mute it. Monitor it so I know it's there, and mute it, or let people know why it will be muted. There's Dark Rosen's music. All right, let me see if we got any other entries. We'll let Dark Rosen's music jam. Okay, we played all of these. Oh, Henry's. We have one from Henry. We played S's, we played mine, we played Dark Rosen's, we played Ariaki's, Solar Pellets we played, Malphus Interactive we did, Build a Monster we played, Fox Builder. Okay, I think we got one more. We got one more game, and it's Henry's. Such a bop. I like it. I like it. All right, one more game. This is by Henry, and it is called Build a Bridge. Movement is a little broken. Left and right arrows to move. Press the E key to build a bridge. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. All right, movement's a little broken, so we're going to keep that in mind. Love the intro. Very nice. Whoa. Oh, Henry's building up the old games in one, like S does. I think that's a cool trend. I support this trend. Press the E key to build a bridge. Whoa. Oh, interesting. So it seems like we aren't actually affected by gravity. But I can press E, and a little thing appears. All this talent and skill here, honestly both inspiring and demotivating. I'm not gonna get one in tonight, methinks. You know, I'm sorry to hear that you feel demotivated. But I'm glad that you tried, and I hope that, like, trying was somehow, like, helpful or, like, an interesting experience. And know that there's always, you know, the secret live stream after the stream. I don't know if you guys know, but I do a secret live stream after this live stream. There's some details in the little scroller I just put up there. There's some details right there, how you can get involved with that. It's right after this live stream. You just go to patreon.com/hypergamedev. You go to join for free, and then you'll find the live stream post will be unlocked. It's free to join. It's just a way to advertise the Patreon and build a little community there, a little email newsletter list, because you will also get it in your email inbox every time. This is nice. I see where you were going with it. Like, the idea was supposed to be that if you... Nice play button. I love the arrangement of that. So the idea was supposed to be that if you go off the edge, you fall. And then if I press the E key, it builds a little bridge. And then you would have to, like, get yourself across to somewhere. It looks like, Henry, you figured out how to do some spawning. Right? That's cool. And it's like positional relative. It's relative to the position of the player character, which is awesome. And so, yeah, so that secret live stream, what we do is we check out creations that have been shared in the Discord. Link is in the description box if you want to check out the Discord. And if you share art, music, games, anything on the Discord, that is obviously within the rules of our community, I will check it out during that community stream, and then I'll post a clip in the Discord if you want, like, your game play tested and you want to see, like, response to it or whatever. That's one way to do that. So you can always share the game later, Kai, if you end up finishing it, just so you know. But yeah, I think this is about all we're going to get out of Henry's game. I think it's a nice one. I'm going to let Dark Rosen's music play us out, since we didn't get to listen to it, and we know it's nice and original. Yeah, that's a nice vibe. I like it. I got to give a big shout out to the patrons, the people who are supporting this channel, not just for free. Not just for free. I'm actually missing Guy Elder on there. I gotta get that updated. Guy Elder is also supporting us on Patreon. Thank you, Guy Elder, for that support. It means a lot. If you head over to patreon.com/hypergamedev, once again, you can join for free and get access to the secret live stream. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, check it on out. You can also support HyperGameDev here on YouTube, and it comes with a lot of perks. It comes with some perks. You get an entire, like, 8-hour live stream that I do every Monday. Every Monday on this channel, I do a live stream, and you can only get it if you are a member of HyperGameDev. You can also get gifted a free membership, so make sure your free memberships are set up, or your membership gifting is set up on YouTube, so that way you can actually get access to that. All right, y'all. Y'all are amazing. I'm just absolutely blown away by the creations that you all did this week. Like, what the heck? What the heck? You all made amazing games. I'm so inspired by all the games that you made. And I'm kind of proud that I put something together too. That's not such a bad thing. So yeah, well done everybody. Thank you for coming through, and wow, you're still here? You're still here? Thank you for watching this long. Don't forget to hyper smash that like button. Hit that like button. It'll help this video, this live stream, be seen by more people. I appreciate it if you're willing or able to do that. If you're one of those folks who's watching this after the live stream, that is to say not right now, but after it's over, you can tap or click in the bottom left to see the last game jam that we did. Tap or click in the bottom right to see the next one, and I hope I see you there. All right, y'all. Goodbye. On to the secret stream. It's secret.